Happy Thursday, traders. Welcome to episode 230 of TO with me, Mitch Ray. Can't believe it. Thank you for being here. Could be doing anything, but you know, you're here, right? So, very cool. What was it? News on Zcash, possibly going to Coinbase or something, right? Big news there. I'll take a look at that chart. Song's just now getting good, right? Screw Ray, man. Let's just turn the music up all the way, okay? Yeah, Bitcoin's really done nothing. Had one green candle last night. It's all sold off. But I think the most important thing that we're taking from this is the fact that you see this horizontal line support at 41.15, which is the absolute top, the pinnacle of the two bottoms, which gives us that discernible double bottom, giving it it is pretty much a valid pattern because of this area we're using as support, and that's just kind of like the tidal streams. Kind of could be a confusing thing we're talking about down here. We're not talking about the breakout support, not the bottoms. Okay, so holding that, not really getting any kind of accumulation. You know, so something that looks a little bit better is actually Ethereum. Looks a little bit better on its consolidation than Bitcoin. Okay, so we're gonna look at that in a second, but again, man, our target, the measure move of that double bottom, which isn't really anything that crazy, but it might be from our entry. Our Patreon entry, I believe, was 3,600, something like that. And if we could get up to our measure move, I mean, that's like almost $1,000 profit right there. If someone bought one Bitcoin, that'd be $1,000, right? So, you know, it may not be that big of a pattern, but it's still a trade, and it still has feelings, man. All right, but that, you know, the real target was the 382, not even really the double bottom measure move. At 382, we're looking for a common retrace from a major swing high up here from November 7th to the major swing low back on the 25th of November. All right, so looking for the 382. Of course, we could go higher, but we're not really that concerned after we hit our first common retrace level, because then we know that it wouldn't be weird at all for us to reverse our price action to the downside and continue being bearish. Okay, after that 382 is hit. Okay. For now, we wait. We wait and we hold support at the breakout support that was once resistance, okay? Okay, that's it, man. We'll take a look at chat and then we'll look at the Quint screen after that. Maybe I'll throw up the Quint screen while I'm looking at chat or something, because we know we don't have double chimes anymore. So by Anthony Rossano, Rob in. He said he was first, but he just got bested by Anthony Rossano. Sorry, man. What's up, Third Eye Trader? Logo Dinosaur. Hey, Logo Dinosaur, I know you like corny jokes, man. Hey, what episode do I need to go to the dentist, man? What episode of TA with Mitch Ray do I need to go to the dentist, man? I'll give you a second. Okay? What's up, Mike Measy, Matrix M? Stag and Stoner Man, Jeff W, Ruben Santos, hello, Pedro, Ace G, Pete Hobbs, good to see you, man. Hey, Pete Miller, man, what up, man? What's up, man? Getting married on the beach, dude. What's up, Rasmus coming in from Denmark? Heck yeah, dude. Hey, I don't know. You said ZES. I don't know what ZES is. I know ZEC though. I don't think ZES is going to Coinbase anytime soon, Rasmus. If it even is a thing. I mean, no point even looking at it because we have the Quint screen up. But what's up, Randy Bobandy? Zed Zerps, good to see you. Cod for Crypto, drinking Irwin freaking coffee, man. Always good. Ruben Santos, one cardboard Bix. I don't know what a Bix is, man. Come on, Big the Pen. So, Bats 85. Yeah, Ethereum and XRP charts, never Bats. We're never gonna look at Ethereum or Ripple ever. Okay, dude. No, there you go. ZEC. Yeah, Rasmus. That's it. So about Essex Hammer. Robin Gomez, excuse me. Good day, Crypto Tiger. MK Man, hey, MK Man, here's some Jesus chimes for you, man. Jesus chimes for the Jesus peoples. Okay, man, okay. Good to see you, dude. Okay. About time Bitcoin gives us a chance to be kangs. Well, we were able to be kangs, weren't we? Just for a little bit. I mean, pretty nice profits right now. from that 3,600, 3,550 level. So about the beeswax. Jamie Catrona. Dolphin 134. CX, man. CX, baby. Ooh, is that a trident for Ice Poseidon, man? Interesting. Hey, Milko 007. The new supercomputer. That's it, dude. That's it, man. This thing is fully operational. Just waiting on more fans to come in. More RGB. We all love RGB, man. Okay. Hey, what's up, Chris Wynn set, dude? Claudio. What's up, Claudio? Boom, I remembered. You thought I would forget, right? What's up, Junior Le Collectionneur? Hi, ASL. Hey, Phil Centura. Ultimate Keck, CX. The Kappa Sigma. Kappa what? Kappa your face. What's up, W Alexander? Echo Space. Thanks for that sub on Twitch, man. Oops. Huh. Weird.
Shorts have been piling on since the breakout. I've seen target as you. What are they seeing that we are? I know you're going to look at it anyways, but I bought a ton in USD, 65, very good area to not get trapped.
Look, get wrecked, man. Get wrecked is the word. I think that's the thing I took from that the most. Out of anything you just said was get wrecked with the double Jesus jumps. And it might have been because I switched, because there was no notification. Something's going on now. Now I have another issue. When I fix one problem, another one arises. That's computers. I really hope that doesn't happen again, okay? I really hope. HG, I'm gonna reread that though, man, okay? Oh, you want me trigger, man? Shorts have been piling on since the breakout. He has the same target as me. What they are seeing that we aren't. I know you're going to look at it anyways, but ZEC, he bought a ton in the $60 to $65 area and want a good area to offload, not get wrecked. Well, you know what's going to happen when Bitcoin dumps, right? So maybe to factor into your ZEC analysis, you take a look at Bitcoin, right? Whew. Thanks, dude. 318. Did you, man? Got to go get your boy from wrestling practice, then take the little girl to gymnastics. You'll be on a string like flies on S. Hey, Greg, man. Hey, I used to wrestle, man. Wrestled from 8th grade to senior year of high school, man. I wrecked it, dude. Wrecked it. I went from one weight class in 8th grade from 145, then freshman year 160, sophomore year 171, and then my senior year 189, baby. That's right, dude. Made it to state championship every year, right? Well, from my sophomore to senior year, okay. So best Taj. What's up, Utasaurus, CX, baby, CX. Thanks, Crypto Tiger, man. Appreciate that, dude. Can we look at Roku, MK Edu? Sure, man. Oh my God. It looks like we might hit target. We were close to target. My God, on ARN. Pump, dude. What a pump. Well, some of these S coins just decide to pump, man. Blatant disregard for anything, right? I mean, you had bullish divergence like crazy on the MACD, though. So Kang, Logan, dude. The Gizmo. Is it Louis? Louis Marriott? All right, Louis Marriott. Let me write that down so I don't forget, so I can do like Claudio. Louis. I'm just gonna call you Louis. What's up, Freud and Slip? Welcome. Anything about Schadenfreude? What's about Joshua Ramsey? Putsky, what's up, dude? Mr. Kanatomo, Aloha. Oh, Aloha Traders, that's the first, man. Yep, 230, that's it, dude. 230, yep. What's up, Montemola? Loading up 1400, yeah, there you go, man. Probably pretty low risk areas down there. Way down there. What's up, Todd Schultz, man? Chinese doctor, what happened? Thanks, Jamie. Sorry on the roof. Local dinosaur, you can't do corny jokes on the roof, man. God. Sorry, just gonna do this chat. We're almost done. All right. What's up, Chris Farrell? BCHSV going back above 0.03 Bitcoin. There we go, man. Is it starting to run again? Or did it break out? My alert didn't go off, man, on SV. I know if it would have broken that down subby resistance, Dawn, I think, unless I forgot or it didn't happen, I could almost sworn I had that alert set up. So, Bart Simpson fade coming. I don't know, man. We're making higher highs, not lower highs, right? Right now. Normally you'd move the upside and then you would peak and then you'd make a lower high on that failed rally, and that's that Bart Simpson. Okay, so wait, what? You know, look at Bank of America if you wish, if that is your heart's desire. Bank of America. Sweet. BAC, not BOA. Yeah, no. CX scuff, man. Someone put CX and then they put the actual like trident or a Poseidon emoji or emote or whatever. So that's what I was asking. I was like, that's interesting. I didn't know that. Yeah, definitely know about the CX smiley face though, for sure, man. Welcome, CX scuff, man. Big difference with the stream quality, so clear even though my Wi-Fi is crapola. Sorry, man, crapola got me confused, dude. I don't know. Get destroyed? No. Why is everyone screaming no, dude? Is everyone okay? Oh, the double chimes. Yeah, I think we're at the double chimes part now. Holy crap. Get wrestled. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. So what's the punchline to the dentist joke? What time is it to go to the dentist? What episode of T.O. Mitre is it when we have to go to the dentist? 2:30. Tooth hurty. Justin Birkin, man. We can only do this one time. You understand, we'll never be able to do this again. Even at 2300, episode 2300, we won't be able to do it. Sorry. So this is it. We get that joke one time. So about D. Sagerman. So about St. Last Resorts, double D. Yeah, that's right, St. Last Resorts. I'm glad you're enjoying that video with Drizzt. Yeah, trend trading, big deal. It's kind of like our methodology, right? The equilibrium zone, the EMAs being above the EMAs. All right, when we break those supports or resistances of our upsloping, downsloping channels, what happens, right? There's water coming from the sky in SoCal. Voltaire. Maybe Heck's about to freeze over, dude. So target for Bitcoin again. 45.10 and 46.34 for now. Okay. What MACD do I use on trading? Just standard MACD. I get rid of the signal line and the MACD line. Okay, get rid of those. I use the histogram. There you go, Milko. Hope that helps. What's up, Isra? Dumbrod. Get wrecked, Dumbrod, man. Hey, Aaron M. Tau L. Again, Tau. I'm sure y'all are all hearing this again. I just told y'all. So, like, the targets, right? Internet getting wrecked from the rainstorm. Oh, my God, man. Oh, my God. So, we have 230 people watching on episode 230. It's really... Dude, we got, like... I'm going to get a root canal. A TA root canal or something. Someone come up with some puns. Okay, some dentist technical analysis puns. Okay, man. I know King Logan would probably do it, but yeah, man. Okay, let's move on to Ripple, because Ripple's number 2 market cap, not Ethereum. So we'll go to Ethereum after Ripple. Get wrecked. Okay, still hey man, we found that top. We've been selling off since then. We're very close to the bottom trend line of the rising wedge pattern that we're seeing. So it would make a lot of sense. Impulse down, right? Impulse down, rising wedge pattern. Now you've already hit the 382 from a swing high to swing low. You've already hit a common retrace zone, and you failed not only to break the 50 MA, you also failed to break the 382. Okay, so here you go, man. Once we touch this, it will be a confirmed, I believe, rising wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4, going on 5. You need 5 touch points to have textbook wedge, to have a valid wedge. And we're right there, man. We're very close. All right, so if we were to break out roughly around this area, you could expect a measure move down to 30 cents roughly. Okay, I'm just being objective here. You know how I am, man. Okay, you know how I am. If I see a bullish pattern, we're going to talk about it. Bearish pattern, we're going to talk about it. No matter what coin or asset it is, it doesn't matter what market, okay? That's it, man. Look, we made those higher highs. The volume was dropping, right? Tapering off. Okay, neutral on the RSI. That's it, dude. That's it. We could forecast and see with this pattern developing, if it becomes truly valid with that one more touch point. Yeah, we could see that measure move 30 cents. All right. Let's go to Ethereum. There's really not much more to talk about. That's literally it for now. That's your analysis of XRP. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me, man. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I like a little bit more about Ethereum. Impulse up, and it's slightly down sloping. So it just looks, people can say whatever they want, but definitely just to me, a little standard bull pull bull flag. Oops. That was a bull pull bull flag. And again, if Bitcoin tanks, this is gonna crap out. This will not work. Okay. But if Bitcoin doesn't tank and Bitcoin decides to lack volatility or whatever, $20.87 is your measure move to the upside. $20.87. There it is, man. There's your measure move of your bull pull bull flag. It's not much, but it's there. It's real. Okay, that's how it works, dude. Okay, 137.72 is your target if we were to break out bullishly of this bull pull bull flag combination. That's it. Double bottom into the breakout of the down 7 channel. Kangs. All right, easy, right? Easy enough. They're your big three. The big three. Someone's behind me. Best World ASMR, man. It's scary, dude. Scary stuff, man. You know, that's it's actually Vet Moonboy's essence, okay? Vet Moonboy's been in outer space for a while. Wonder if we'll see him again one day. Just maybe one day. Vet Moonboy and Star Wars Worlds are out in the galaxy somewhere. Double D says chat room poll was yesterday a dead cat bounce for Bitcoin. 1 for yes, 2 for no. I don't think it was an actual dead cat bounce though. I mean, like, I guess you could call it that. I guess. Dead cat bounces normally come after extreme selling, like in a day, and then happen like the same day or next day. Right? This was just kind of like 2-week long move. Okay, I think a dead cat bounce would be much higher, probably. Okay. Dentacoin? Oh yeah, Justin, we're gonna look at Dentacoin, man. Decentralized teeth. With Jesus, with the Jesus coin, decentralized Jesus, man. So about Kathleen Rossano. Do you know Anthony Rossano? Y'all should go on a friend date. Okay, because y'all have the same last name. And if y'all got married, how easy would that be? You wouldn't have to legally change your name. Things would go great, right? I'm just saying. It would be wonderful. Anthony, you got anything to say about that, man? Let's talk. So about Deep End. Tomcat, there you go, man. What do you love, Ryan Longman? Disney killed Star Wars, Millum. You know, debatable, right? I mean, like, no one else is doing anything with it. I mean, I would say for sure, and I don't think you would argue with me, nor many other Star Wars fans would argue that the prequels.
Mitch, can you tell us what's going on with PHXBTC? You rock.
Oh my god, Anon, thanks for the double Jesus chimes. Thanks for giving confirmation that I hate my life. I'm about to just I'm deleting it, man. I think I'm deleting my quint screen. I don't know what else to do anymore. Okay, I don't know. It was fine. It was fine until I changed my screens, my overlay. This. Watch this, y'all. I'll show what I'm about to do. It sucks, dude. It really sucks, man. Because it's not easy getting this stuff, like, all together. Okay, this is not easy. We'll see if it works, man. This is gonna make me cry, dude. There it went, man. It's gone. Please don't be broken anymore. Please, no more sources. Please, somebody test this now. Put me out of misery. Let me know if I did this for no reason or not. Okay, thanks. Decentralized Jesus teeth. Exactly, dude. That's what I'm talking about. It's so loud. Oh, no wonder. It's ridiculously loud on myself. Hey, Theodore F, man. What conclusion can I draw from a rising wedge on Bitcoin short chart? I don't know, man. I can put Bitcoin short chart on the list. And I'll make note of a wedge. Wedge question mark. I'm on Burgundy. Okay. Let's go to ZEC. ZEC USD. Remember this one? This was a trade setup. It was a falling wedge. The entry around here. We ran up and didn't even hit 382 and then dumped because Bitcoin. Thanks Bitcoin for being a dumpster. You zoom out, you can clearly see what's going on. Really, it's just a downtrend, man. It worked.
Testing the echo. Today, I consider myself the luckiest man alive.
Oh, it feels so good! Lou Gehring probes, man. Thanks for the 2358, and thanks for helping me understand that I did not do it in vain. I did delete it for purpose. Chat, we did it. We're definitely going to... Please clap. Got rid of double retro, man. For real, man. But we can't have nice things, can we? We can't have different overlays. I'm about to do like some sort of quad screen with this freaking overlay, man. The whole purpose of the quad screen was that me to have a smaller overlay. And maybe what I'll have to do is just have zero overlay. None. No chat, no nothing. When we look at it. I mean... I could have this overlay and just have it hidden completely and then just have 4 screens. We'll have more room, whatever. We won't be able to see hurricanes and tornadoes when they're coming. But whatever, man, I guess. Right? Scary.
Let me put the tip in.
Is that a joint?
Hey, Rob, period. Thanks for the 420 contribution. We don't know if that's Rob N or Rob R or Rob K. The evil Rob K. Okay, we got multiple Robs. We have some who are good, some who are evil. All right, man. Thanks so much, Rob, period. The anonymous Rob. Much love, dude. Seriously. Hey, what is that, XRP? Gosh, dang it, get out of here. GXRP, thanks for the, 58.9% of an XRP Kappa. But, not Kappa, but it's hilarious. I get it, man. 589. Thanks, dude. Much love. Thanks, probes, man. And Rob. Thank y'all. He's your son, Kathleen. Y'all should still go on a friend date because y'all have the same last name somehow. Do I think there's a small inverse relationship between the dollar and Bitcoin? Yeah, absolutely, man. We looked at it, dude. Why did Bitcoin have a good day? Why did the market have a good day yesterday? Because you see that we actually looked at the chart, the DXY. And DXY showed a huge dump on all kinds of bearish divergence. We got an ascending broadening wedge after a huge impulse up, man. Exhaustion. All right, so, but anyway, your ZEC, the USD, had the falling wedge, broke out, made a higher high, showed stupid bearish divergence, dumped on the divergence, and so we somehow bounced off this bottom trend line of our old wedge that doesn't even matter anymore. So the support still existed, did it not? Roll Tide Troll, thanks for the sub on Twitch. Did he, man? How is he going to troll today and tomorrow? When will he troll, man? How will he do it? Thanks so much, man. Much love. Dang, man. Really appreciate people sub on Twitch to support the channel over there, okay? What was it? It's loading. Thanks for the Twitch Prime sub. Much freaking love. Go crazy on your shopping for Christmas, okay? Seriously. Okay, man, so bouncing, you know, this is the news of the Coinbase. Look at the volume that came in, but look at the sell-off we had, right? My God, man, we had our old swing low here. We hit that perfectly. Move it down. But yeah, if you can see it, though, it just looks like a double bottom like everything else, right? Like a double bottom. Okay. You know, 1, 2, high or low, whatever you're running. I think it might be prudent in this situation to fib from here, from this swing high, swing low. If you do it like that, you can see we hit the 382 and we have not had a candle body close above it. We're right about at overbought at 70, but you can see we went from disgusting weakness to, like, you know, oversold to overbought in a 5-day period, 4-day period. Holy crap. You know, just in retrospect, what was going on: low, lower low, right? Lowest low, triple MACD, bullish divergence, didn't have any kind of a divergence. Just double bottomed on the RSI. Hold on, what the heck? David's calling me. Give me like 2 seconds, y'all. My IT Jesus man's calling. Hold on. Alright, sorry about that, yo. He was just, I don't know if there was something pressing or anything, but he was just checking on the setup and stuff. He didn't know I was live, so. He's not a real fan, man. Kappa. Alright, so. Oh my god! Oh my god! Lance Vickers is the Roll Tide troll. Dude, Lance, man. Played football at Alabama with Lance. We're like this. Best friends, man. That's where we met, and we've been blood brothers ever since, man. Thanks so much, Lance, dude, for the Twitch Prime sub, man. May your Christmas adventures be plentiful and fun. Okay, thanks, dude. Wow, what's going on? What a good day. What a good Thursday this is, and how it's been so far. All right, so sweet, man. 382. What do we expect? You know, your common retrace zone where I've already hit it. So 618. It's 109.46. Now make sure I got the what you were saying, asking about entry. You got in a ton at 60 to 65. Okay. Sweet, you got in down here. Well, we're hitting that first fib node, so don't be surprised wherever the retrace comes in. Positive momentum. Now this could keep building, of course, but you are showing some slight bearish divergence on the MACD, but it could, again, just bust through that and keep building positive momentum. We get 50%. That's probably your best bet, right? Is that 50% retrace, $100, maybe a little bit below 100 since it's a psychological resistance. Okay, but yeah, and then again the 618 and the 200 MA are going to be right around that 108, 106 to 110 area. Okay, so that's definitely going to be really tough, we know. Okay, that's it, man. Nice volume came in though. Nice. Not even a bullish engulfing candle though. It was close, but it did not completely engulf. All right, but above the 236, wonderful. At 382. There you go, HG, man. All right. Oh, absolutely disgusting. PHX, man. We haven't looked at it in a minute. But that's what we do. We talked about, we knew like this crap, man, just bleeding out, right? You had your channel, right? Your upslope channel. Before you fell to the very bottom. When you fell to the bottom, what happened? You fell to that bottom. Triple MACD. Well, no, it was even better. Alright, so you had the divergence, and then you dropped one more time, and when you dropped one more time, and then we talk about this all the time when it does occur, but not too often, and on both sides, when you make your lower low than your previous low, and you're actually showing positive momentum on the lower low than your previous low, when you were showing bullish divergence already, that is extremely bullish. That is an awesome thing that happens, not very often. You just need to know. Oh, we already have divergence and we're making a slightly lower low with positive momentum. That's like class A++. Oh my God. James Craig, man, thanks for the Patreon pledge, man. Welcome to the fam, dude. Really appreciate that. Digits, man. Remember when you join that Patreon, you could join it for the amenities, the trade setups, the education, Discord exclusivity, but the main reason you join that Patreon is to support me coming live multiple times a day, doing coin requests, you know, being here, right? That's it, man. So thank you so much, James Craig, for the support. It means everything. You're not just supporting me, you're supporting the team. All right, thank you, dude. Whew. Looking forward to seeing you in Discord. Hey, it's Thursday night, right? Or it's Thursday. Yeah, hold on, make sure. It's Thursday, man. Okay, Thursday. It is pre-game night tonight. Remember, patrons, if you're in here, we'll send a note out to all the patrons too and everyone. But 10:30 Eastern. Get into the Discord. We can hang out live. You get your requests in before everyone else, and you get priority tonight. Okay, once a week. We missed it last week because Thanksgiving. What can you even do, man? People wouldn't even have shown up if we did it. All right. So anyway, with Phoenix. All right, with Phoenix. It's almost like you ended up getting a wedge of some sort. Again, if we were to like analyze this every day, which we don't. Not really a wedge, man. Okay. I think you just had like a channel and we broke it. Right? You just had something stupid. Like this. A very, very scrubby. Yeah. Little channel. Just like Bitcoin, just like all the other ones, man. Just all the same stuff. Everything just selling off 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Bitcoin did 1, 2, 3 as well. Ethereum. Ripple. They all did the 1, 2, 3, the rule of 3, and then they broke out to the upside because they had bullish divergence insanity, okay? Hey, look, you know what is awesome too? When we showed that class A plus bullish divergence where you had no negative momentum when you're making lower lows, you ended up getting back end, tail end, RSI bullish divergence. So there were reasons, like, okay, so you had the bullish divergence, craziness on both oscillators. You were at the bottom of an upsloping trend line. Coinciding variables, there were many coinciding variables right there. But the problem is, though, you unable to break.
You have a nice voice for streaming. Much love.
Kathleen Rosano, thanks so much for the $5 of Litecoin. 504, excuse me, of Litecoin. I have a nice voice for streaming. Maybe I should have been on radio, right? Because I don't think I have a nice face for... You notice how she didn't say I have a nice face for streaming? So, yeah, I could have just done this, right? I could have just... How's that? Is that better? Does anyone like the stream better? If you like the stream better like this, we could just do type 1 if you want the stream to look like this. And then type 2 if you want my face. We're going to trick you. Make sure you're paying attention. 1 for this. 2 for this. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. Go, chat. Go! Thanks. Okay, so swing high. To swing low. What did we do? We didn't even hit the 50% retrace, did we? Got very, very close, right? Could not sustain prices above that 382 before we reversed our price action. We're making a higher low right now. Negative momentum's continuing to build. We can keep on selling off and come back down to 238. You break below 238 sats, and if you're a Phoenix fan, a Red Pulse Phoenix fan, you don't want to be in, one would not want to be in breaking an upsloping trend line like this, okay? We clearly gave validity right here to this. You break 238, you're gonna have a bad time. Worst case scenario, look, dude, you might double bottom down here at 227, but breaking 227, you don't want to mess with Phoenix, okay? You just don't, right? We've already made a common retrace. That's it. We made the common retrace. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Third Eye Trader saying 1. Okay. Not a good start. Holy crap. Boris Ivanik. How could you say that, comrade, man? Probes, were you in here when we had Boris Ivanik? Ivanik? He subbed. He's our Russian comrade. Wait, show you 2 again? What happened? 2. This is 2, man. You sure you want any more of this? King Logan does 8. It's always a wild card. We never know. Okay, Connor, Don, they like it. Millum wants 1. Moz wants 2. Matrix M. Okay, it looks like we're doing okay. We're doing okay, man. Whew. Michael Lapoya says 1. Okay, mini ones. 1.5. Yeah, I agree, Millum. 1.5 is probably the best answer. Thanks, KJ, man. Thanks, Matt Shaffer, man. What you doing, Matt Shaffer, man? Sharon, I really appreciate that. I don't know hot is the word, okay? I think I'm just more like, meh. He's meh, right? Killing me. 2 helps you feel the TA, J-Rock, man, with my facial expressions, man. Love you too, Third Eye Trader, man. Alaska, man. Look like a young Chuck Norris boogers guy, man. Is this true, man? Chuck Norris. Just because we have red hair. I don't know if we have the same facial features, though, right? When Vet Moonboy helmet, Third Eye Trader. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow night, Third Eye Trader. Chat, should I become Vet Moonboy tomorrow for like just a lit Friday night stream? What should I do? How many tokens for feet, Jeremy, man? You know that's a... Well, Jeremy, I'll tell you this. I will be receiving my... You want to know something I bought yesterday? I showed it on Discord. I'll show you again. I don't know if people were able to see that. Oh man, Storm knocked out Bradford's internet. Crap. Let's go real quick. Let me show you what I bought. This is what I bought yesterday, y'all. Bitcoin socks, Monero socks, my 2 favorite, and then you got Ethereum in there, Litecoin, and then the old Ripple logo socks. I bought them because I feel like anytime I go out for real to dinner or go out without shorts on, I want to wear crypto socks, because why not? Who's wearing crypto socks? In Alabama, man. Alright, so just want to do that thing. Enjoy that, dude. Y'all should get those socks too. Those are awesome socks, okay? Whatever, man. Sock genius, dude. Whatever, man. I guess Julia said I was smarter because I'm gonna get genius socks or whatever. Okay, anyway. Alright, so dude, ZRX, man, what a trip, right? What a trip on ZRX. It just had this channel and just broke down. What did it do? From the swing low to swing high, ZRX hit that 886. That was the lowest low. That was where we rebounded. We pivoted. And what were we doing? Like, if people were asking me about this stuff, you know, before we made moves to the upside, then we would look at it and tell you you have bullish evidence, just like Bitcoin and the others that we look at. People would say, hey, man, is that a inverse head and shoulders? Kinda, yeah. I mean, like, a little bit. Kind of. Alright, and then you had, like, this slanted neckline. And you broke it to the upside. Oh, man, look at that wick, dude. That wick you touched. You tested the 50 and 20 MA and then rebounded. Alright. But you just broke it, man. You just decided to break it. And a measure move wouldn't be that great. Be okay. 1462 breakout.
Have some insider on keys. Microcap stock. The chart looks like it's at a good area of value. Especially January, when something is supposedly supposed to happen. Is it poised to break out?
Hey, Anon, thanks for the 690. Oh yeah, I forgot we do that. Oh, it feels so good. Okay. Don't. If you say you have some insider, I'm sure you're saying insider information on QUES. Well, we gotta be careful with insider information. It doesn't matter who you are. Insider information and then sharing it can get you locked up for real. I don't know if you have real inside information, but hopefully you don't, so we don't get wrecked. Okay. Especially January, when something is supposedly supposed to happen. Hopefully you're saying that maybe no one knows about what's supposed to happen. Is it poised to break out? We'll look at it. We'll look at it next, dude, right after this. All right. Thank you, Anon. I guess Anon was the whole point, right? So we'll never know, man. We'll never know. Anyway, yeah, like slanted inverse head and shoulder, now confirmed, right? On the breakout, you can break the neckline. It goes from potential to for real, and target now is 11,481. Can we get there? I don't know. You might fail. You might not get there, and the reason being the 200 MA. Look what we did. We rejected it. We touched it and rejected it so hard, so freaking hard. Okay. Not really relevant anymore. The 886 was awesome. Thank you so much for Fibonacci for helping us. These invisible lines, they don't mean anything evidently according to some idiots, but swing high to swing low. Okay, we have not even hit the 382 yet, and so like Bitcoin hadn't hit its 382, the ZRX hasn't either. Bitcoin ran, so did ZRX. If Bitcoin rallies again to hit its 382, chances are ZRX is probably going to hit it too. Then a little bit above that would be 11,481, our target of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Boom, that's it, dude. Boom. Is that for you, Anthony, man? Yeah, that was you, Anthony, man. Tell your mom thanks so much again for the contribution, and I'm glad to hear she likes my voice, but not my face. This one. Okay, Quest. Q-U-E-S, inside information, all in. All friggin' in on this OTC, over the counter, man. Oh boy. It looks like some sort of descending broadening wedge of some sort, but today got absolutely murdered. Okay, murdered. First off, let's remember anytime you look at uncharted territory, no kappa, plenty of puns, but no pun, you zoom out. All right, what did we do? How far did we retrace from the swing high to swing low? Probably 50 to 38% of the way, right? A 50% retrace, how every time, man, all the freaking time. You have the 50% and then reverse your price action to the downside. Impulse down. Charles Dow, the Dow theory states after an impulse down, you must commonly retrace 50% of the way before reversing your price action, whichever way the impulse was initially, which was down. Down. Okay. Daily today, the lowest low we've seen since March. We haven't seen anything like this since March. Somehow we closed the day completely dumping the lowest low of the day. No pullback, no rally at all. At critical support back from September of 2017 and March of 2017. Holding that for now with the close. No idea where it's going. Right. That being said, you could say bullish divergence, but I wouldn't bet on it, man, because we just started making this negative momentum. We could keep selling off, and we could keep building negative momentum. There's still plenty of room on the weekly for us to run to the downside. Okay. We haven't seen this much weakness on the RSI since October of 2016 on QUES, Quest Solution. All right, I guess we can go to the daily now, since we know we're bearish. We are in a bearish trend, right? Bearish. And we could probably, at this point, do something like this. So what about, oh, that's interesting, right? We had it like this, and then we broke out. Hey, Ella Angel, thanks for the sub on YouTube to do this, man. But you're an angel, so you're like the angel man or something. You know what I'm talking about. So it's like we broke out, and now we're trying to back test. We're just continuing to scoot along the breakout. You know, anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on top. There it is. Interesting, right? Very interesting. So we know where we reversed. Get rid of that. Not relative, but it was fun to see just for the sake of education and showing the realness of Ibs. Swing low of the run to the swing high. How far have we retraced? We're right, closing the day right at the 618. The 618 that's confluent with that horizontal line support from those old resistances, now new support. We'll see if we can hold that. Lots of volume came in. Gross. Very, very gross. Let's see. From here. I mean, you are making some bullish divergence, right? You are. But, like, again, if it keeps selling off tomorrow, the next day, you might invalidate any kind of bullish divergence you have, okay? I think right now, where we close is extremely important to hold this. If you can't hold this, man, there's no real strong or clear support below it. I mean, you could run all the way down from, we're at 15 cents now. We could run all the way down to 8 cents, man. That's why your common retrace zone is so important, man, because, like, those fibs are always closer together. When you break that 618, a lot of times that 786 is much more gapped away, much further away, and we could run down to 8 cents. All right, so pattern-wise, man, looks, yeah, like some sort of descending broadening wedge, which, see, it was like, was it like that, you know? So what even makes sense? We would have probably had it like that when it had a false breakout of a falling wedge pattern. And then you make the adjustment, and it's almost like diverging price action, right? So, I don't know, man. Might be better just to channel this. Jeez, dude. We'll see how it works. See, anything like that was like a false breakout. Yeah, like that. Okay. So you just had this downsloping channel, and you're at the bottom of it right now, the very bottom, with very little divergence on the daily. Weekly, you have it, but you can just keep selling off in the coming weeks. All right, so, all right, man, hold this or you're screwed. Hold it or you're screwed. Stay outside of the downsloping channel. Like, I mean, this is kind of like Ripple in a way, right? Kind of like, I mean, it's almost identical to Ripple. Ripple was in a downtrend, then on extreme levels of volume. Oh my God, hold on. Let's do this real quick. I want to have some fun here. Just give me a sec, okay? Give me a second. And we'll be kings. Thanks for the 229, the 230 people in here on episode 230. Time to go to the dentist, man. All right, let's go to Ripple. Show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, man. Try to make this look similar, okay? Tell me true. How similar does this look, right? The downsloping channel on high volume, you broke out, and when you broke out, nice gains. You pulled back and you ran. You wanna know what the fibs were? Even this is why I like it even more. Swing low to swing high. Wait, no, we didn't use that stupid wick. We used the what made the most sense without the wick. Without the wick, you made a 62% retrace, 62% retrace, right? At that 62% retrace, that's where we started rebounding before we started tanking, okay? Over here, Bitcoin crap, right? So very similar stuff going on. I think that'd be fun, just fun to look at, okay? Similarities on your charts, whatever, man. Okay, man. Sweet. Quest. Hey, let me know if that's cool or not. Okay, are we cool? Oh, fireworks, my bad. Fireworks, man. Thanks for the 100 friggin' likes. Y'all are amazing. Nick and all. Okay. And it's now time for, of course, your local on the 8s. Awesome, man. Eyeballs are starting to hurt again. Y'all know what it's like now. My contacts are starting to kill me. I might have to replace them and get new ones, okay? Well, Don F72, a lot of people asking about all kinds of stuff all the time, Don, man. It's nothing new. People want everything, all right? Everyone want everything. Yeah, Raven continuing to dump, right? Could not close above the 236 before reversing price action to the downside. Very weak, very, very weak. Let's go to Bitcoin. Just a little loud, my bad. Why does it do that? Anyway. Here we are holding pretty well. Look, big rejection, nice rejection right there at 41.15. Again, that is your very critical support that must be held, and it's held so far multiple times. Third rejection right now. Great. That's we're trying in some way to give validity to this breakout. All right. Oh, you got the higher highs still. Let's see if we can hold here bullishly, Harami, and maybe run to the 382. That's what we're looking for. It makes the most sense for us to do that. All right. It makes the most sense. That's how Fibonacci works, right? It would just be a common retrace, and if anything below it's uncommon. All right. Whew. You love the socks, Earth, y'all. Thanks. The tree Jesus lady. The trees lady, right? You like the socks, Zachary, man? Glad to hear you like it, man. Appreciate it, dude. You have insider info. LTC is an S coin. Third eye trader. Oh my god, man. Well, we'll just give you this one. What's up, Swisher Surgeon? Hey, Jonathan Krause, man. Glad you made it. Probst says stock market was having a nice little day today before low volume sell off as the bell was approaching. Yep, Probst, it happens, man. Just wasn't much action in the afternoon, right? Yeah, Roku will. We're actually going to be looking at Roku next. What's up, MW? Linda Coin. What about Yanny Coin? Does anyone notice when people ask about Linda Coin what happens? Any regular viewer, can you tell me what happens? Anyone ever ask about Linda Coin? Connor Anderson, you want some vets, some VeChain doing things? Yeah, I'll put vet on the list. Okay. Vets on the list. CME futures in tomorrow. CBOE quarterly and yearly futures in December 19th. Thanks, Probst, man. Oh, XRP Roshi thinks there's going to be blood tonight. Exit.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Or she's randomly wants things. Okay, I don't know. Randomly gets triggered. What's up, Crypto Gains? Good to see you, dude. As always. Max X, YouTube. Hey, Aramis. Mitch Raycoin. No, yeah, is it Mitch Raycoin? I think it's a TAMR coin or something like that. Mitch Raycoin on the Waves platform. I think it's just Zero created that. Yeah, short opportunities run anywhere between the 382 and the 618 IMO. Okay, those are the areas, the best areas of value for shorts. I don't think you're at the best area yet of value, but again, it could, of course, dump. But hey, man, all you have to do is be short on Ethereum with me, and you'd be Kangs, dude. You'd be Kangs, dude. You wouldn't have to worry about it. You could add to your position in those areas. All right. 4 strength, 4 stem leather belt. Is this real live? Yes, Connor, and 8 bets on the list. Good. Oh my god, man. There's just so many coins. Christopher Orton says, you know, my opinion, you've asked the past couple streams, but didn't catch an answer. Dude, because it's just like you're throwing out coins I've never heard of in my life. Cred coin, Cred LBA coin. That's not even on TradingView. LBA coin. Unless, you know. There's so many coins. Remember, there's like over 2,000 cryptos, and I get a lot of requests every show, and it's tough, man. So you're also Cal Berklucken. Okay, dude, it's all good, dude. I just looked it up, and it's not on TradingView, so I can't look at it. Yeah, at least you're not giving me that. Yes, exactly, exactly. Oh my god. Okay, yep, that's it, man. No, it's a Yanny coin. Yanny coin. Meximas? What in the world? Mexima, dude? Are you triggered, Probst, man? Lights out, my bad. Aramis, I got you. No, wait, don't go back, man. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I forgot to turn it on. Dude, sometimes I just forget, man. Okay, it's on. The lights on Twitch work now, okay? The bot is here. Sure thing, MCB, man. Thanks for being here. Okay, man. All right, what do we want? What do we want? We analyzed this already at the beginning of the show. Not much more to it besides kind of Tua. Sorry, that was off a little bit. Not much more to it except hold this support long enough, keep rejecting prices lower, and eventually we're going to pop the upside and hit that measured move at 45.10 at the double bottom, and then we'll hit that common retrace. First common retrace node at 46.34. And that's it, man. This is the area we're looking for. We're looking for this area to become Kangs. Alright. That's the area of Kingdom. Kingdom. Alright. We can switch it to Ethereum, I guess. Wait, no, we wouldn't do that. We'd go to Ripple first. It's hard getting muscle memory built, man. You've done it. I mean, if I had done like over 700 plus episodes, and almost every single one is Ethereum's #2 market cap this whole year, and then changes, just you gotta be patient with me, okay? Am I bullish on Ethereum here? Kinda. In terms of short-term price action, with the way it looks, and we'll look at a max X, but dude, I'll just show you. Okay. But again, Bitcoin rules the world, okay? Bitcoin rules Ethereum. Bitcoin dumps, Ethereum's going with it. And it's a bearish market, okay? Coffee broke the lights. Did he? Is it broken? Do I need to reset it, y'all? No, it's okay. It's good. You know what I'm talking about? It's not broken, man. Okay, Ripple, another, the reiterated analysis of Ripple, impulse down, two converging upsloping trend lines, or aka two, or just upsloping converging price action. Price contraction that is upsloping. You know what that is, right? That is a rising wedge, and that is a bearish pattern, and a measure move of the pattern from the breakout, wherever it was, would be roughly around 30 cents, okay? Bearish. I mean, this is a bearish pattern. Can't argue that it's not a bearish pattern. No, man, that's not a bearish pattern. Okay, sure, man. Go ahead. Just like it wasn't a double bottom on Bitcoin, right? Just like that, right? And here getting trolls in here, because we were saying potential double bottom with bullish divergence. Everyone's like, no, dude, TA's fake, man. It's fake, man. We're going to 3K right now. It's like, okay, cool, man. That's it, dude. Bearish pattern developing. Measure move could happen. There you go. Whatever. But Ethereum, though, Ethereum looks splendid, man. The double bottom into a bull pull bull flag combination. If we were to break this, a measure move would put us at 137.72, right? I'll just show you, okay? Let's do the. Connor Anderson, thanks so much, man, for the sub on YouTube this month. Thanks, dude. There we go. We're from the breakout, whatever. 138.34. Okay, there you go. Pinpoint accurate measure move from the candle body low close, the candle body high close. Boom. That's it, dude. If we were to make it, if we were to be kings, that's it, dude. And that's not even at the 382 yet, okay? Because like, look how far away we are. Like, okay, we're just doing the major swing high, the swing low. The common retrace zone for Ethereum is much further away than it is for Bitcoin. Ripple's already hit it. So these things are all off a little bit. They're all a little different, okay? This signifies how much better of a short Ethereum was than Bitcoin was. Because look, Ethereum or Bitcoin is not too far off. Where we got, we're like right around $200 away from the 382, the first common retrace. Look how far away we are. 146 is your 382, man. Okay. So this is clearly showing that Ethereum was the best short, or compared to Bitcoin. All right. So we'll see if we can hit it. We'll see. Impulse up, downslope consolidation. See you up there. All right. Boom. Kings. The moving background makes you seasick. You're the first person to, well, it was too fast. We actually had it, it was like speeding, it was like really, really fast, and now we've slowed it down. So, I don't know, is anyone getting seasick from our moving background? Let me know. I can get Chalen to slow it down even more or something. Okay. My meme game is over 9,000. You love it. Thanks, Connor Anderson, man. What kind of, do you know memes, man? Do you know, thanks, dude. This gives me that feeling inside. That Kappa inside. That Ron Paul inside, man. It's happening. Okay, we know the memes, dude. Inverse moon. Monk ass. Pepe hands, dude. Okay, we know all about the memes. We'll be implementing more memes soon, okay? We got a new meme installation on the way, chat. Hold me to that, alright? Ask me every day. Have you put any more memes up, Ray? Have you added more memes to your arsenal? We will, dude. We seriously will. We even have one. I haven't put it on Stream Deck yet. Y'all remember this one? I don't even know if I'll be able to find it, but it's here somewhere. It's a really good one. It's like anytime, it's like you're feeling when you haven't asked about that random S coin that only you know about. If I could find it, man. Maybe I can't find it, dude. I think I have 100 sources. 100 plus sources in my scene And that's why I have so many issues, I think, because I don't think OBS is meant to have this many memes and sources. I don't even know, man. I think I'm screwed, dude. Hey, y'all remember this? No, y'all don't remember this. Where is it? Hey, Thomas Bukowski, man. Oh my god, man. Thomas Bukowski, dude. Sorry, we're just, hey, it's episode 230. We're going and rewind a little bit, alright? I just don't know, man. Is it not here? Okay, man. I guess I'm screwed. I can't remember the name of it. Oh, my God. Oh, here. I found it. That feeling. Your feeling when you haven't said that S coin. That feeling when you haven't said that S coin, man. Oh, my God, man. Give me Linda coin. Give me Annie coin. Okay. Anyway. That's it, dude. Yeah, Greg Noblin. Exactly, man. Everything is fake, but those are Greg Noblin. Those are people. The everything is fake. People are the ones that come in and they say, you know, they've been mining Buttcoin for 2 years, man. They know everything. Okay. What's up about ROKU is free? What's good, man? What's not good, dude? It's all good, man. It's all good, man. Huge Bitcoin buy orders getting flashed. Pamp it. Well, man, yeah, we are. Could be bullishly engulfing, kind of, right now. 42.61 currently. Not bad, man. Not bad. But we said every time you reject critical supports, the more you do it, the higher chance you have of breaking the upside. Okay. Hybrid, bruh. No, hey, I also have PogChamp too. I bought PogChamp, dude. We got it all, man. We'll keep adding to the arsenal. Yeah, we got ARN on the list. Okay, man. All right, so that's Ethereum. Let's look at the big three again. Measure move, the bull pull, bull flag puts you at 138, but you're not even talking about a common retrace. And your common retrace is between 146 and 175. I don't know if we'll get there or not. It all depends on Bitcoin completely. All right, that's it. For MK, ROKU. So continuing to dump, man. Continuing to dump. It's interesting, MK, man, because look, you have 4-hour bullish divergence, man. Nice. You have lower lows with positive momentum. That's good. And it looks like you have some sort of wedge, right? Some sort of scrubby little wedge. Like he broke the wedge. You see that impulse down sloping, price contraction, aka falling wedge with the bullish divergence on the RSI. Yeah, it could probably be upside, but look what we did today. We closed the day rejecting that 20 MA. Oh, MK, man. Oh, I mean, it's a downtrend, man. So definitely would be fighting the downtrend, but we might have reason to believe we could break the upside tomorrow or something. But could go the daily, whatever. Daily's nice. Daily's really nice because look, lows, lower lows. Look at this, man. Even more, all the bullish divergence. Good God, man. RSI is still showing it on the daily and the 4-hour, right? Somewhat low. Yeah, dude. Look, so 4-hour MK, daily. Come on, man. Come on. We filled the gap, MK. We filled the gap. And there's another support down here at 36.41. I don't know if we'll hit that, but look, man, you can clearly see it, man. Bullish engulfing candle, MK, man, on the daily. Come on, man. Come on. Could have a nice retrace here, okay? Could. We could. And then we could just fib it like this. Swing high to swing low. Could run up to 45.66, right? Measure move is very, very small. I think it might be a good idea, just this down slipping resistance, that's where one might, if they were trying to go long here, might want to get out. But dude, remember ROKU, man, we broke out bearishly of this uptrend we have been in since like it all started October in 2017, right? 2017. So we're out of that channel. We broke out, but we're showing tremendous levels of daily bullish divergence, man. Like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I mean, RSI, the wedge, the bullish engulfing candle, after filling a gap, MK, man, that's a lot of coinciding variables that are bullish, not bearish. Okay. I know we broke out though, so that's something to take into consideration. There you go, MK, man. Hope that helps. Let me know. We said a 50 EMA death cross on what time scale though? MK, was it daily? So Walt Moore, well, you know, hey man, I'm sure there are other people in Bitcoin. I mean, I'm technically in Bitcoin for the long haul too, just based on the way, if you tip me in cryptocurrency, I can't sell. So I'm in it technically because of that for the long haul, and it makes me be like that, but hey, you might get Bitcoin at better prices in the coming months. Okay, so just based on the chart. Oh, garlic coin to the moon, Don. Ugh. Here's a Don F, man, when he doesn't talk about garlic coin. Ugh, man, good, man. You've been mining Bitcoin for a long time? Yeah, it's one of the best, dude. It's one of the best. Best hash rate, man. The best POS that exists out there, whatever that means. Not point of sale system. Yeah, there you go, MK. Falling wedge. What's up, Anthony? Yeah, I got a very long list, man. I don't know. We got a lot going on, dude. A lot of stuff going on today. Thanks for the 206 people still here. D-Sag, we actually looked at Zcash already. Sorry, dude. This is great. How often do I stream? Twice a day, Mr. Ed. Twice a day, 5 Eastern and 11 Eastern. Okay. You like the Flash memes? The memes, dude? That's Benito's favorite coin, is it? Cut coin. There you go, dude. POS? No. That's MPXS. No, POS is some sort of scaling or something weird that PIVX people use or talk about. It's got the best, man. PIVX people trying to flex against Monero when we know Monero is the best privacy coin that exists on the planet, hands down. We know that, dude. Where are the fireworks, Christopher Wharton, man? Where are your eyeballs, man? Where's your vision, dude? Okay. Be a Tom Brady. Thanks. Or Tua Tagovailoa. That's it. Let's go to ARN, whatever. Yep, big pump. Big pump, man. I'm sure we had divergence. We had a triangle, and we broke out bearishly, right? We broke out bearishly. The measure move of that pattern was way down at 4441, but we never hit it. And why? Because sometimes it just, what do we say time and time again? When we don't make the measure move, what's the reason? Other resistances or supports. So they stop us from getting there. Other resistances and supports with divergence, other coinciding variables that are bullish or bearish, right? So look, low, lower low, bullish divergence. Okay. Definitely did not get that on the RSI though. So we only had one. So we had bullish divergence at a critical support and it bounced. Okay. Some sort of fib though. Hit that 1618, right? Swing low to swing high. Our previous fib extension hit the 1618, and that is literally where we bounced at this area. Okay, so from there it just went on up. I don't think there was any reason to believe this thing would do this. There wasn't any kind of like, right? There wasn't really any kind of pattern. I mean, maybe we had a falling wedge of some sort. Not really. Almost like a descending broadening wedge of some sort, but it doesn't really matter, right? Where do we go? Huh, okay. So now the fact that we found out swing low to swing out of the extension, where we were trying to just kind of do a biopsy of why we bottomed here. We found it. Now we can see what the retrace is. Really, man, from that swing high up here to swing low. 50%. Look, hit the 618 on the dot. Okay. 50% retrace, candle body close right here. We have 37 minutes left on the actual daily, y'all. The daily. Wow. Okay, man. it makes sense though, right? At this point, we can get rid of the triangle, and it just almost looks like a perfect little channel, right? A parallel channel, right? Point 1 and 2, like we had it. Would have been like that. It would have been 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom. And as you can see here, we fell below it, but not for long. Bounced up. And okay, so look, we held this heart line here. Blast through it, hit the top. A lot of volume came in. I don't know. Does anyone have any information on ARN? Why it did this? I mean, I guess I know why it would do it. Look, dude, we broke out of a downtrend, man. This is just like that question one. This is like a Ripple. They break their downtrends finally. When you break them, then you retrace 78.8% of the way, right? 78.6% of the way. Like swing low to swing high is probably a 70% retrace. Okay. Hitting critical area support with bullish divergence and popped, whatever. So it happens, man. You're out of this downtrend. The longer you stay out of this, signifies the market that this trend right here that was down something like that is over, right? There's your ARN. Hopefully you get your fix, man. I should become the next voice over Pete. I don't know who that is, man. Voice over Pete. Dying meme. What? The meme compilation, excuse me.
So guys, we did it.
Hold on, let's see what Benito's talking about. I don't know. Benito's always risky, man. I don't know. He's definitely a risky business sometimes too. So we gotta be careful.
We reached 250,000 subscribers, 250,000 subscribers.
What is this?
And still growing. Whew. The fact that we reached this number in such a short amount of time, it's just phenomenal. And I'm spicy or pretty easy. So be sure to hit that bell. Help him. All he needs is your credit card number, 3 digits on the back, the expiration month and year.
Dude?
But you got to be quick so that SpongeBob can help stop Plankton's scheme and keep Bikini Bottom safe.
Dude, I don't even know, man. Am I gonna get a strike? I don't want this. Dude, I don't want fair use, okay, man. Sounds. Hey, I could be that guy, man. I could be that guy. That was what Benito was about. Thanks for not making it too inappropriate. Thanks, dude. Got hacked around 90 sats, lost 33% instantly, never recovered. I'm talking about Pundy Coin. Dude, Pundy Coin, as soon as it got listed, man, got destroyed, right? Why did it get destroyed? Because remember the reasons why we ICO? Remember we have 2 reasons why we would IPO or ICO? One, scam. Pretty much scam everyone, except the people that are on the inside. And the other reasons to expand, to get more money to reinvest so you can sell more products to make more money for your investors. Number one, they all, most of these cryptos all are number one. Okay, they're doing it to get money to screw everyone else. Okay, it's a money grab base. All right. Michelangelo says, Lol says airdrop news. Okay, so ARN airdrop. Oh my God, we're gonna give away free coins. Oh, great. BSV over $100. Get on Binance. Oh, MaxX. Oh, man. What's up about Crypto Cracker? How's it hanging? How's if hanging? What do you mean if hanging, dude? Justin, what thanks, man? Yeah, dude. Looks like, oh my God, dude. They're giving away tokens. Oh my God. Aeon Moon Boy. What's up, Aeon Moon Boy? Ladies and gentlemen, we have Aeon Moon Boy. Have you met Vet Moon Boy yet? Hey, Reese Allen, we looked at ZRX earlier in the show. Check it out, man. Just rewind. Video on demand. Why is Aeon mooning? Why is all this other stuff mooning, man? It just is. Why are boobs good? Why is the sky blue? Right? Joe Dierte. Joe Dierte. Oh, wait, what? Hey, Chris wins set, man. Sorry, dude. I didn't even see that. Thanks for the 20 XRP, man. Chris wins set. Thanks for the ongoing love and support with the XRP tip bot. If you see in the top right of your screen, kind of, next to the magnified ticker, that is xrptipbot.com. If you ever want to contribute via XRP and you have some, because I know a lot of us do. I know I do have a lot of XRP. Not as much as I did, but I still have it. And you want to tip with that, awesome app. Love it, man. Versus just here's my address, man. Just QR it, boom, done. What's up, Depend? Attention, all epic traders. What happened, dude?
I'm late to the party. How are things with you?
Robert Kirk, man, things are going well. How are things with you, dude? Thank you, man, for the $10. Much freaking love, dude. Thanks to Monero into Jerry, man. Cheers. Yeah, how are things with you? They're good, man. Bitcoin trying to reject lower prices. Trying to reject below that support that was once resistance of our double bottom pinnacle. Okay. 41.15 to be exact. If we could hold this long enough, we could run up, hit the measure move at 40, what was it? 45.20, which would be getting close to around $1,000 of profit from our bottom, we call it on the Patreon, right? Be great stuff. Pablo, got it on the list, man. Okay. Scam and incompetence have the same result, failure. Yeah, but I feel like, man, I just feel, which you can use feels in this situation because of the way they did things with the, oh my God, what they did with the VC's money to just sucker in so many people into this market. 2017, man, just really triggering. Okay, because that's where you can use emotion. Because I don't need emotion to see what people did, what these people did to screw other people. Very apparent. Very apparent. Yeah, right. Canned applause. Aeon Moonboy, ladies and gentlemen. He did it, man. I bet he's not as cool as Vet Moonboy. Vet Moonboy all day, okay? Sorry you cannot type. It's okay, Crypto Cracker, man. We accept you whether you can type or can't type. Because you like crackers, man. You like crackers, man. I don't know what that is, XRP Roshi. It's just some sort of circle, man. Not all boobs are good. Greg Noblin, alright. Yeah. But Joe Deertaste said it, man, right? Kool-Aid Kang, so I think you think is done retracing? Is done. You didn't even put in a vague pronoun. Wow, I didn't even know I could be more triggered. Someone's saying, do you think it is done retracing? But Kool-Aid Kings just went ahead and says, you think is done retracing? He just left it out. He left out the entire object of the sentence. Oh my God. Somebody calm me down before I lose my freaking mind. Oh, it feels so good!
I know you must chat, but can you check KGKG on the hourly? We chatted it Tuesday. I shorted. It dumped 30% in the opening hour. Trading halted. My rising wedge got filled though. Crazy. Now up 17%.
Let me see this, man. Let me see this, dude. Oh my God.
Please clap.
So the rising wedge with a bearish divergence on not only the MACD but also the RSI. We hit target at 8.59 cents, 59 cents probed. You like it, man? Do you like it? We went as low as 8 cents on the dot before reversing to the upside. Who cares? The trade is complete. Who cares what happens afterwards? The only people that care are the ones who don't take profit. The ones who get greedy think we're just going to keep on dumping, right? Rising wedge, target, hit, probes, man. Boom. Fantastic. Does anyone remember this when we did KG, man? Anyone? KGB? That's why you like it, probes, man. That's why you... Dude, how could you even short something that has KG in it? It could be KGB, man. All right. Don't let Putin know. Holy crap. Talking about Ethereum. Oh, okay, man. Nothing's done retracing. What was the fib here? I don't even know. Yeah, we hit the 50% retrace. Hit the 50% retrace and the 20 MA. So there's a likelihood we could be done retracing. Kool-Aid Kank, man, on Ethereum. Yeah. Need that common retrace. So Bill Battles. I mean, it's not the worst idea in the world, but again, man, it's bearish market. So these things are suspect to fail. More, higher chance to fail than in a bear market than they would be to succeed in a bull market. Why would I be long on this chart? What chart, Cali Rob, man? And who said we were? What you talking about, man? You think done retrace? Exactly. Hey, one man army. Good to see it. Do you bear market over win Lambo, Fenton? Do you Ingles win cardboard box? What's up, Fenton 112, man? You knew I'd say something? Dude, it's not even being a Nazi, man. It's just like, it's tough, man, when I'm streaming, okay? It is the plight of the streamer. When people say it, when you chart and you come back, I couldn't imagine video gamers. It has to be even worse, okay? Please, sir, win moon. Do you want another meat pie? Depend, man. Oh my god, man. It happened in like 30 minutes. Boom! That's what I'm talking about, dude. Don't F with a KGB monkey S, man. What kind of monkey S, dude? This monkey S, dude. Edward Parr, what's up, man? Teaching you patience? Yeah, man. Okay, I'm gonna take my time. I'm like Tortuga, man. What's up, Knowledge Sponge, man? Name checks out, asking the right questions, man. So, just all over the place, 6 years, man. Watching videos, reading books, man. A little bit of mentorship here and there. And just kind of revamping, revitalizing, kind of just taking different things from all different areas and kind of converging it into, my own thing, right? But, dude, if you're looking for wedges and triangles, it's a big part of what we do here. That Thomas Wulkowski book over and over, and I wonder how much we've increased his sales. Because, like, I don't know him. I'd love to interview him one day. I think he's a genius, but... the Encyclopedia Chart Patterns. Here you go, man. Encyclopedia Chart Patterns. This is Thomas Wulkowski, man. Rising wedge. Hit target, man. What do you want, dude? Win skateboard. What's up, Claudio? You're sick of people saying win moon. Well, it's definitely at this point a huge satirical thing in here now. It's a big joke. It's a meme. It's an inverse meme, Claudio, because they say win moon for real in other scrub places and back in the Great Boma, but here it's a joke. It really just means win cardboard box. Thanks, Blue. Right back at you, dude. Win back to buying cheaper beer. Win back to buying cheap beer. 7 p.m. tonight for you, Robert Kirkman. Yeah, I think I'm a pregame with the patrons tonight. Don't miss the pregame if you are a patron. Okay, get your coin request, stock request, whatever you want requests in. Do that. Okay. Because the weekend's almost here. And I feel as though that Moonboy might be back at some point in the future, very soon. Okay, Bank of America. We're gonna love this song. Okay, man, downtrend. We've been in a downtrend since when? Since Moon. We topped out in March of this year. Since then, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, downtrend. We've broken a trend that had been going on for quite some time, right? Very nice uptrend. Very nice uptrend that's over. You know, just having it plotted just would be a lot. Okay, so why even have it plotted? Great, we broke it like right here or something. Okay, who cares? Anyway, so what's been happening in Bank of America from a swing high, swing low, the high to low, we retrace 50% of the way, reverse our price action to the downside. But when we reverse our price action to the downside, we probably retrace 61% of the way to 50% of the way. Filled this gap right here. You can see we clearly filled the gap. Had a nice little double bottom, not very discernible double bottom. Like you see the bottom, we rallied, and then created a top, and then broke it. What we couldn't break here, and then we broke down, and then formed that bottom, and then ran again. We actually broke it. We broke out, and now we're back testing, just like Bitcoin. What's going on? A little different though. A little different situation. Also broke the heart line. Very close to back testing the heart line of the downsloping channel too. You could see time and time again. A little battleground area, as it should be, up here too. All right, so so with us pivoting right here, making a higher low, always good. Really, I guess the thing we could do, $0.87 measure move scrub. There you go. There you go. Your measure move of the double bottom, whatever, is going to put you at 28.91. See if BAC can get there. It's going to be a lower high. All right. I don't know if we're going to be able to rally and make higher highs than our previous highs. Doesn't look like it, man, at all. You got bearish convergence. Bearish convergence means you get a lower high than your previous high, than your previous high, your previous high, and lower levels of positive momentum, lower levels of relative strength. Right. So just that's bad because you're starting to round out already. Okay. All right. So the lower highs continue. So it didn't really do much. I mean, today a great rally though. You couldn't think that interest rates stopping rising would be good for banks, right? You always want those interest rates to continue going up. Okay. But I don't know, man. You know, here's the thing. Okay, let's get rid of the fibs real quick. Watch this. And you tell me if I'm crazy here, okay? Call me crazy, dude. What is that, man? That's an ascending triangle, man. Pretty large one. Changed my mind. You got the thing is perfect. There's not too much white space on either side. You got two touch points, two reaction lows, two reaction highs. Valid. Now valid. All right. Measure move this pattern would be crazy. It would break us out of the upside, out of this down 7 channel, this rut we've been in. Okay. So I think we very well could be forming a nice triangle that started October 17th on my birthday. That's where it started. Okay. There's your BAC. Could be a reversal. Could be death too. 316, almost pi. We almost have a pi. Measure move. We broke out of the upside. Measure move. Volkowski, V Kings. Oh, let me turn off the Monkey S, dude. My bad. Oh, Monkey S been on there. It's more like, hey man, it feels good, man. It's a pattern, man. You forgot to like the stream, Claudio. A little disappointed about it. F, you meant to craft beer, Kool-Aid Kings? Excellent, dude. Sure thing, William Battles, man. Oh, we have to show up 30 minutes early, Jeff, man. BYOB. But we're gonna play drinking games tonight for Patreon. Is that what we're gonna do? Yeah, dude. DB, have we looked at it yet? Not like since like I think we. It's just been extremely terrible, like terrible, dude. Pablo, you can, but remember, it's always about, are we at a critical area of support, Pablo? right? What kind of trend are we in? Have we already broken out? What, you know, it's not easy. It's a case-to-case thing, Pablo, always, okay? Always. Patterns always strengthen your case, right? Always. But if you don't have one, Fibonacci is always good, or we had a critical, where are we? Fib extension of 1618, 1272. So that confluent with a horizontal line support. What's going on? There's more. It's just not simple to answer because it's case by case, chart by chart. A wonderful day for pie, Kiki. Exactly. One-man army has just been steady all day. Love me some rain, dude. Oh, we're supposed to expect tornadoes this weekend where I live. I'm excited about that. I know it's weird to say that, but I do love severe weather. I had a dream last night, vivid dream about tornadoes. I haven't, I don't know, for like my whole life, I've dreamed more about tornadoes than anything in my entire life. Okay, so I don't know, it's weird. I turned on my NOAA robot radio, and he was telling me about, yeah, there could be tornadoes this weekend on Saturday between noon and 6. So I'll be watching Alabama play Georgia. SEC title game. Holy crap. Scary. Expensive craft beer as a bubble, Kool-Aid Kings. Well, I hope it pops so I can get that craft beer on the cheap, right? I'm all down for it, man. Good thing I'm just not invested in it. It'd be bad if I was invested, but not the other way, right? Not if I'm just a consumer, right? Every time I say y'all, I drink. Every time your microphone is crapped, you drink. Oh, Jed, man, you're gonna be drunker than me. Get wrecked, dude. Well, I've been live for like an hour and 40 minutes or something like that now. If you are enjoying this live stream, that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank y'all so much, really. All 178 of y'all. The number's been tapering out just a little bit, but hey, man, it's their loss if they're having to leave, okay? Because valuable education in here. Triangles, wedges, kings. Oh my. All right, XP Russian, have a good one. Have a good one. Greg Noblin, you're in Atlanta. Oh, tornadoes. Well, it'll probably be hitting y'all, and it might be a lot weaker. Because remember, the sun drives systems, the power of a lot of severe storms. So when the sun goes down, the power of storms are not near as bad. So by the time the sun goes down for you, Greg, Alabama will be SEC title or champions, and the storms will be hitting you, and they won't be near as strong with the power of that heat of the sun. Okay, so you're good, Craig, man, probably. Well, we hit the measure move and beyond blue. I think we doubled the measure move almost on the triple top. I don't know, man, because we've not made higher highs yet than our previous highs, like the all-time highs, and so like you're just making retraces, common retraces right now, which yeah, it was an extreme move down. That set the tone most certainly probably for a correction that can last much longer than we're thinking. Yes, D-Sagger, I have done Zcash, yes. Did it earlier in the stream, okay. Here's our rising wedge on the Bitcoin short chart. Oh my God. Nah, that's not a wedge, dude. That's not a wedge. That's definitely just a channel. Definitely just a channel. Someone was asking about what about the rising wedge, and it's like, well, we just tried it and it's not one. Unless you look at it like this, though, okay? Not this from here to here. It is one, for sure. Right, here to here. That looks like a wedge. I guess I get that. So you can have, but the thing is, you can have a wedge and a channel. Let me get rid of the fibs. We retrace like 88% of the way. Look, we've right at the 88% retrace from the swing high. Okay, we'll get rid of the fibs for now. Not to create confusion. All right, and I'm gonna do this. We've done this before. Oh crap. Oh, it's busted. Hold on. You have that upsloping channel, and then within the parameters now you're starting to form that rising wedge pattern, okay? Rising wedge was always bearish, right? Always bearish. Bearish convergence. Well, no. Bearish divergence. Gross. It's good for a bull. Every time you make a higher high. Lower levels, positive momentum, right? Every time, man. See, RSI, same thing. Same thing on the RSI. This should be red, sorry. To signify bearish. Red dead. Green king. Green king. That's it. So look at the divergence, bullish divergence, huge probably upside. Now we're forming the bearish divergence on both oscillators with a rising wedge pattern. Okay, near the 886 retrace. All right, man. Price contraction is upsloping. Could be bearish, could be bad, could break down bearishly. All right. Never asked about the short chart. There you go, man. That's it. Loco is free. You might be doing Fibonacci wrong because you should zoom out. Go to the daily. Go to the daily and look for your first. You have that major swing high. When you go and you look for the major swing high on the daily and not the 4 hour, that will set you free, and then you'll have the true fibs. Okay, that's the rule. Rule of thumb on Fibonacci. Look at the daily. That's how you're going to get your major swing high. Take out the noise of the minor swing highs. There you go, Jeff. Way ahead of me. He got me, dude. He got me. So about Princess Riley. Just stopping in to show your support. Thanks, Princess Riley. Much love. Thanks for the hearts. Hey, Jurgen, man. Theodore F. Your support's always appreciated, man. Right back at you, dude. Okay. Thought that Fed meeting was yesterday, Nick Mendez. I don't know, man. I don't really. 15 minutes, meh. You know, not really that important, I don't think, in the grand scheme of things. In chat, sorry. As to there would be punch and pie, J-Rags, man. Looks like the new coolness right. Yeah, it's moving quite smoothly, man. It's not bad, man. This is what I want, man. This kind of stuff right here. That, believe it or not, despite the lag and stuff, I think that's just internet and TradingView's platform itself. I think it's very smooth. I have no issues ever, okay? As you can see, man, this is our channel, our overall channel for the shorts chart. We fell out kind of, but the divergence saved us, and King Kang's got right back in it. And now we're showing some forms of exhaustion on the shorts chart, okay? Getting tired, man. Getting worn out. We're having issues, dude. No, Aramis, she does not. Of course, Fenton, of course. Here's your V-chain. V-chain, man. Bearish, super duper bearish, right? But mimicking, doing a lot of things that Bitcoin's doing, right? Swing high to swing low. Double bottom, just like Bitcoin. Common retrace zone. Put you between 68% of a cent to 85% of a cent, okay? That's where we would expect to go, but there's the double bottom that we could do the same thing like we did on Bitcoin. Very easy, very, very easy. Look where you're doing Class B, bullish divergence. When you double bottom and make lower levels of negative momentum on your second bottom. Great, and RSI doing similar stuff. Low here to lower low. bullish divergence. Okay, so we're getting the divergence. Beautiful, man. Oh wait, here we go. The second bottom had positive momentum. Ah, gotcha, man, gotcha. Never mind. Man, this is just spectacular right there. Well, anyway, so. Wait, I gotta do it like this. Sorry. We already hit target on the double bottom, man. Already did.
Is that a joint?
Shorts will get squeezed and we will be kings.
Kangs, dude, Kangs.
Reach ain't doing things.
Thanks, Anon, for the 420 contribution. Is that a joint contribution? Much love, dude. Thank you, dude. Poggers. Yeah, I only have PogChamp. There's no PNG of Poggers. Can anyone find me an actual Poggers? I don't know. PogChamp's pretty good though. I really like PogChamp. Over Poggers a little bit because Poggers came from PogChamp. I think, right? I can't remember the history. I don't know. Know your history memes. Oh my god, man! Did y'all hear about Louisville's head coach? Jeff Brom, he like isn't gonna coach next year or something for them, and a Louisville fan was arrested after confessing tweeting messages related to a threat against Jeff Brom's high school because he wouldn't take the job or something stupid. I don't even know. People are crazy, man. There it is. There's the PogChamp card for crypto. There it is. I guess that's it, man. I guess we're good. I think chat's kind of died off. Normally when chat dies off, it's right around the time that we get near that 2-hour mark. We got about 6 minutes left. I think the daily closes. You know, I'm gonna wait. Daily closes in 5 minutes, so we're just gonna hang out for 5 minutes, man. Okay, and a coffee, whatever. Okay. Thanks, Copper Crypto, man. It's like you'd almost think I've lost internet the way YouTube chats died. Literally. It's like, hello? 180 people there? Just got here. What's the word on Bitcoin? Holding support. So we just go to it. He's showing a little bit of bearish divergence on the MACD right now. Okay, bearish divergence, that bear trend. Still, you know, it's hit target already, but again, a common retrace is much further away. I mean, like, it would make a lot of sense for us to if Bitcoin wants to run up, we could run all the way up to 68% of a cent if we wanted to. If we're really going to be not that bearish, right? Everyone's eating Aramis. There you go, dude. What's up, Alex Cobb, man? It's been one in chat. Let me know you're here. What's up, man? Hope you're having a good day, dude. The Cobb, man. The Cobb Kings. Nick Patton, who knows, man? People are just like so sad. It's all good. Who cares, right? Stocks went up yesterday partially because the dollar crashed. That's why Bitcoin probably went up too, man. And a lot of the other, you say partially, then the majority of it came from Jerome Powell, Fed chairman, saying the economy is looking strong, but it seems like we're just a little bit below where we should be on our rates, so that's going to slow down the rate increases. Robert Kirk says he's here. He's just looking at chat, not engaging. Boom, get wrecked. It's all good. So there you go, Bitcoin, where we should expect to see prices run to. I mean, really, between 4,500 and 4,634. I mean, that's really the sweet spot. That's what we're looking. That's what we want, okay? That's what we want. It makes sense, okay? So, did I already do it? Boom. 147 likes, 162 watching. Can we get like a few more likes, man? A few more likes. Do you think we can get 200 likes in a day stream? 200 likes in a day stream, and I'll get a beer. Boom. Easy target. Easy target, okay, man? And I'll stay on for like maybe 15 more minutes, okay, to give you the opportunity. Because, again, I've been live for like 2 hours, right? So, okay, man, see you up here. If you're to be kings, if you can hold this, do not break below 41.15. Great areas down there where one would move their stops up, patrons. Great, because you're already in the green a lot. So why would one not move up their stops right below those critical areas of support that we have to hold? We have to. Have to. Okay. Ripple have not quite hit that bottom trend line of the rising wedge, or the potential rising wedge, because we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points working on 5, aren't we? Holding above that 20 MA, very well could pivot here and run again, right? Especially if Bitcoin holds up, going all the way up to 42 cents again, right? You just want to say thank me for never having commercials on this channel. Yep, another pledge I have to this chat, to everyone else. And ladies and gentlemen, a new day has begun. We have dawn and or sunset on the other day. Okay, the new daily candle has been born, as well as our new 4-hour candle has been born. But yeah, something, a pledge I have to this channel is I won't monetize, okay? I won't be making people sit through stupid commercials, all right? I won't do that. You know why? So I can play good music. So I can play awesome music and not have to worry about that crap, okay? Also, I'm not going to be a YouTube partner, and that's probably going to hurt me on my growth because the algorithms aren't going to take me well, but I don't care, man. It's all about quality. It's all about you, the viewer, and me not monetizing my videos so I can play awesome music for you is a way of showing you and proving to you that it is literally all about you, okay? What's up, Los Deer? For the Fibonacci retrace on the daily, is the swing high 65.50 wick. It is at yes, 65.42, right around there. Yes, yes, Abraham. Is it Ibrahim? Is it Abraham? How do you say your name? Ibrahim Shaquille. Okay. I hate saying it wrong. I've just never really seen the name spelled like that. No commercials on live streams. You would have live stream commercials if I was monetizing D7 Tom. Yes, you would. I don't though. You're still laughing about 230. Jeremy Ragsdale, get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked and laugh. You might need laughing gas from the dentist. Okay. Divergence on the RSI of what, man? Of what? 1G project of what? Oh, Bitcoin. Yeah, there's some slight little bit of bearish divergence, but again, I mean, you were highs, higher highs. It was Class A, kind of. It was kind of Class A because you were just making a higher high than your previous high. And then lower levels of positive momentum on the MACD, just slightly. But really, just a little bit. Just okay. Jeez, man. Remember we talked about SRN, it had already hit its target, right? And it's dumped. It's dumped hard. Okay. Remember, it's right back in that channel. It just can't get out. Too powerful. This music reminds you of the slot machines in Vegas. Well, it's D7 Tom, man, makes sense. You know why? Because crypto is a huge gamble. All right. This is non-investors market. Having that mentality is very bad for you. Thanks, Robert Kirk. No, I know you're just playing. I know we're just throwing kappas at each other, dude. Always. Have I ever considered sponsors? Sponsors that are worth sponsoring. Like, I wouldn't say that. I guess I sponsor Irwin Coffee, but I don't get any monetization out of it whatsoever. No money from that. Okay, so that's not really true sponsorship. At any time, I could just stop. I have no contract. I can just be like, whatever. I'm not going to talk about Irwin Coffee ever again. But I do it unobtrusively, right? I do it because I want to, because I believe in it, because it's incredible coffee. And the guy, Chris Irwin, he's been a long supporter of the show well before I even knew what he did. Okay, so sorry, man. He believed in me when other people didn't believe in me or didn't know about me, right? So it's whatever. But sponsorship wise, I don't know, man. It would depend, and I would definitely have to believe in it. So if he was like Logitech was like, hey man, do you want to talk about Logitech keyboards or mice? Yeah, dude, because I believe in the product, man. This is amazing, the best mouse on the planet, dude. Holy crap. Or Yeti Blues, right? The microphones, Yetis, Blues, whatever. I mean, sure, but like, again, I'm not gonna ever be sponsored by an ICO. I'll never be sponsored by that. I'll never do that, okay? I'll never push and peddle cryptos, all right? Maybe Binance, because they actually make money in their exchange and they provide a fair service. Maybe Binance, but that'd be it probably, okay? Maybe Coinbase. Maybe, because dude, they rip people off so bad. So maybe not. I take that back. But again, I don't think, again, they're going, like, what would they need me for, you know? Yeah, James Allen, you say that, but literally just about everyone else does it. Okay, so I am an anomaly. Whether you say that or not, I am an anomaly where I do not monetize. Okay. And guess what, James? Say I start getting 10,000 plus views a vid or whatever, still not gonna do it, man. Do I believe in crypto? I believe in blockchain, Gustavo. Yeah. I believe in blockchain technology. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, Verge, dude. Verge did what all the other S coins did. They pumped to the upside finally. Oh my god, they did it. Finally showed bullish divergence. Did not hit 129 sats. Well, I guess we'll put it on the list, whatever. Okay, 171 likes, dude. 29 more likes and I get a beer. Boom. 2 hours and 2 hours plus now. 2 hours I've been live, alright? Renee, what blend is considered a medium roast? Not a fan of dark or of variety. I don't know, man. I think Coffee Crypto could help you with that. You know, Matt Shaver, you can even say it's Irwin.coffee now. Irwin.coffee for that website. Kangs, Aramis. Kangs. Binance is coming under a lot of scrutiny recently, to be honest. Well, with the Tether stuff, hey, they were providing that stuff, you know, so people could trade, right? To try to, anyway. They're doing all they could. Ad free on Twitch is unparalleled. Can you even do that? I don't think you can do that. I think you have to be a Twitch Turbo or something, Card for Crypto, or something. I don't know. You wish Binance issued debit cards? That'd be sick, Anthony. That would be sick. Yeah, exactly. Well, Fenton, it's so stupid, man. You know, they try, and they could make a killing off of it, Fenton, man. But, you know, they have something called sponsorships. I think it's called memberships now. It's like identical to Twitch, where you can be a member or a sponsor for $4.99 a month. But the only way you're eligible as a YouTube streamer to have that is you have to have over 100,000 freaking subs. What a joke, man. It's like they're catering to the first-gen YouTubers, which a lot of them are failing to find relevance, right? A lot of them are just like, they were young doing stupid shock and awe videos, and now they're growing up, getting more mature, and they're like, dang, what I was doing was really stupid. I gotta find a way to, grow up. I don't know what to do. So, like, you know, a lot of them are struggling, but they all get that sponsor stuff, right? People like me, I'm a peasant. I got 36, 45 subs, and I got no, they make half, right? If you sub to me on YouTube as a member, they'd get half of it. Like Twitch, they get, if it's $5 membership, they get $2.50 of it. Crazy. Thanks, James Allen, man. Well, it's literally for you, the viewer. Kang's Blend is awesome. I just ran out. I'd drink the rest of it. My IT guy and me drank the rest of the Kang's Blend when we were putting the PC together. Swish, what happened? YouTube corporate is highly political. Yeah. Twitch is too, though. Twitch is really bad. There's a big war going on. I think they call them thoughts and stuff. Crazy. Johnny Bull, we really appreciate that, man. Thank you, dude. And thank you for supporting the channel and just being here, man, at all times. Thank you, dude. Much love. Bradford, I got you on the coffee, man. I got you, dude. How you? How's your stash doing, dude? How is it? Let me know. Okay, GT MKIV says Chico Crypto, yeah, breaks down Binance very well. They charged money for coin listings that originally were supposed to be free. Many times it happens over and over. Thanks for the show. Thanks for the information, GT MKIV. Thanks, dude. Sweet. Okay, man. So here we go. Bitcoin sideways. XRP sideways. Not really doing anything. Okay. But dude, you have an impulse up and downsloping consolidation. That is real. We could run again. We could run again. I mean, that's nice. Impulse, downslope, boom. I could see that. Sure thing, Sahib, man. Thank you, dude. What's up with this deal with XRP market cap being low? Alex Cobb knows. I think he did a video about it, right? Or possibly a live stream title. Well, let me, with it being low? I mean, 15 billion is not that low. It's the second largest that exists, right? I don't understand what you mean by that. But again, I know Alex Cobb knows that stuff way better than me. Check him out, Alex Cobb on YouTube if you haven't, okay? Krang. He also liked Kangs, okay? You'd be welcome. You might even come from there, right? You're down to like 1/6 of an Indian monsoon Malabar. You sound like, hey dude, 1/6 of an Indian monsoon Malabar. You're still more of an Indian than Elizabeth Warren. Oh my god, man. Anyone get that? Anyone at all? Thanks. Anyway, 1/10 of the Kang's Blend. Okay. Yeah, no, I burned through it. Mine's just methodically just been the mason jars, right? Sorry, I've been live for over 2 hours now, so I'm just hanging. Oh my God, man. Y'all won't even believe what text I just got. Listen closely. I got a text from my mom, and we have a member of our community named John Stamos, right? He's kind of new. My mom says, "Is that the actor John Stamos or a fake name?" I told her it's a fake name. Okay. What happened, Gotti? Food fight. Crying. Gustavo, I don't know, man. Is he the one that made 100? I don't know, Gustavo, man, but I know if he did, he doesn't do price predictions like that now. So I haven't known him to be that, like that, or do that. Okay, he seems very grounded to me in his live streams and videos now. So that's all I can say about him, Gustavo. Okay. What's up, Modified Mafia, man? Coming in from Straya. We got the Strayas in here, man. There you go, Greg Nolan. Exactly, dude. Is that really my mom in chat? No. My mom is not in chat. She just texted me. Kool-Aid Kings, dude.
Cheers for all your dedication every damn day to X my bray.
Johnny Bullman, thanks for the $4.90, the one Ethereum Classic. Much love, dude. Adding to that ETC. That is definitely one of my lowest holdings in Coinbase right now. I even think I have more. Of course, I have more BAT, but I think that's that and Bitcoin Cash the least amount of things tipped in cryptocurrency. So thank you, dude, for adding to that, balancing it out a little bit. Much love, man. Thank you for your support, day in, day out. Okay, Johnny, man. All right, 1G Project, have a good one, dude. Have a good one. All right, for the weekly. Clearly an upsloping, but for now we've been in a downtrend really since 2012. Oh my goodness, man. Huge. I mean, like a colossal descending triangle on our hands. Good God. Well, that's the first thing that sticks out to me, man, on this AUD CAD pair. All right. So anyway, where are we right now? Let's put that swing high up here. 50% retrace. Okay. I think you were saying you were looking to go short at the 50% retrace. There's no reason to believe there's no bearish divergence or anything yet, Pablo, man. But remember, always the best areas to go short are at the top, right? At the top of these triangles, always up here. Okay. So I don't know, man. And get it at 50% with 618. It could run up there. The positive momentum's continue to build, and we're not really stalling, right? Look at the daily, I guess. Sorry. Right, better. Oh, okay, Pablo. I get it. I get you, man. Okay. Yeah. Huh. I get you, man. I think we had this. That makes sense. Yeah, Pablo, look at the volume, and the positive momentum is pathetic, and you're actually showing some rounding on the RSI and getting that bearish divergence. Of course, this could keep building, right? Because we just kind of started. So I don't know if this is it. We rejected the 50% today, but could run up to the 618. Always could. You're above the 200 MA. Now you're above that 200 MA. All right, man. So. And I think if you fibbed from this one, like that, you're not at the 618, so you could run up to the 97.988, King Logan's favorite area on the 618. Or dumping. So you're showing some bearish divergence with the lower volume on the highs. Okay, so but overall the pattern is disgusting. Right? Disgusting triangle. So it really kind of just is like this. I know we get one more touch point there, but like this is really the meat and potatoes of the pattern. Right. Yeah. 4 hour and daily, really. Sure, the 4 hour, even more. 4 hour, yep, 4 hour bearish divergence, and not barely on the MACD. Daily looks okay though. $188 likes, holy crap, man. King Logan. $189. Oh my god, 11 more likes and I get a beer. Can we do it? Can we do it, chat? Oh my god, 160 people here. Dude, what are y'all doing? We got 156 people here and we only have 189 likes. What's going on? What's going on? What's up about Rachel Rhodes coming in from Carolina? Much love. From Alabama. Okay. Really appreciate that. Do I believe Bat will succeed? Claudio? It seems pretty cool, pretty solid. It's got a working product, that website, you know, it's kind of like a browser. Yeah. What, him and Elon Musk are great friends. They don't get along with George Soros, though. Really incredible, the famous people that tune into this channel. Him and John Stamos, exactly, Bradford, man. John Stamos. 93, 7 more likes. Are we kidding me, man? Can we do it? Oh, man. Struggling, man. I'm struggling. Here's our downtrend on SRN, zoomed out back from March, early March. Fault, we couldn't break it. We tried, failed, broke back down. Here we are, broke it, failed, right back down in the channel again. These false breakouts killing you, right? Killing it. The double bottom was awesome, but we hit target. The double bottom measure move was already hit. Okay, that measure move was I mean, it was a small measure move. The double bottom wasn't that great, right? But anyway, we hit this November 15th high, and no candle body closed above it, closed right at it, right? So such a nice run. Look at the dump. The dump back in the channel, but as you can see, we're bouncing and rejecting the 250 MA. Prices below it. Nice little pin bar or hammer, whatever. Maybe reversing. We're below the 220 MA, right? So it's hard to say, man. It's very, very hard to say. This thing is back inside the channel. It's failing multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, really. 4 times, or 2 times rejected, 2 times false breakouts. Okay, man. Add another alert up, but dude, oh my God, it's just insane spikes. Okay. Okay, I put an alert up. Okay, we're really gonna break back above, out of this channel. We'll hear it. But hey, man, there's reason. We have high on price, higher high on price. Lower levels, positive momentum, bearish divergence. There you go. Oh my God, we did it, man. We freaking did it. 201 likes. Y'all are incredible. Look, let's keep it going, man. Let's keep it rolling. All right, give me 2 seconds. I got one. Yeah, unfortunately I have no koozie. I'm screwed, man. I'm screwed. It's okay. I'm out of coffee. And now I'm switching to beer. Thanks for the 200 freaking likes in the day stream. It only took us 2 hours and 20 minutes or so, or a little less, to get that. Very grateful. Thank y'all so much. I mean, that is what gets us more views. When the video goes static, it keeps us relevant for a little bit longer. And that's why we get those likes. So because I stream twice a day, we know the live stream videos will always go irrelevant faster than any kind of other static video. It doesn't pick up traction, but when you stream twice a day, it's all good because it's like it buys us time for that video to be relevant until I go live again, and then we do the process over and over and over, right? That's how we're kangs. That's how we grow, right? Yeah, Dakota, I normally try to do that, right? I normally try to do that. I don't know, messing around with this crap, man. Oh, God. Very weird. Okay. We can try to make sense of this a little bit, all right? Just doesn't really make sense, dude. No channel, no up. There's a lot of volatility and weirdness, okay? It's like, dude, that's all you gotta know is like we're back inside this huge downsloping channel that's been so well respected all the way down from the top to bottom. It's just been so nice, okay? Perfect. All the decibel levels in the audio. Anthony A, why don't you look up Armin van Buren? Sub to his channel. He does something called a State of Trance. Happens every Thursday afternoon. He's got a show once a week, and it's good stuff. It's just like this. A lot of it is. Okay. There is bearish sentiment, Fenton. I don't know where. The only reason, I mean, we're very grounded in us being bullish. Okay, we're calling it we're not calling it bullish at all. We're calling it a common retrace after tremendous selling from 5,800, 6,500 to 3,400. Okay, $3,000 value lost in a 2-week period, expecting a retrace, not a bullish run, just a move to the upside to hit a 38% retrace to 62% retrace, and then we reverse our price action at those levels to lower prices. That's it. That's what we feel. All right. So about BH635. How's Bitcoin? Let me go back to Bitcoin real quick so I can just reiterate it once again. Everyone loves Bitcoin. All right. Rules the world. Beautiful, man. Beautiful downtrend channel. Right. So that now we're back deep within the depths of the bear trend. All right. You know, right now we looked okay, and now we're just going sideways, scrubbing around at 41.91 right now. 3 hours, 31 minutes left on this first 4-hour candle of the day. Thanks for the like, Jael. Much love. I thought about a collaboration with other crypto streamers. If it makes sense, Saeed, man. If it makes sense. Okay. It is very good focus research music. I can't really like it. All that. Some Nug Thug. Good to see you, man. Boeing. Yeah, we can look at Boeing, man. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Before we broke out bearishly, man, so beautiful. I'm sure the news didn't help Boeing, right? But hey, man, who cares? We had a bearish pattern, self-fulfilling prophecy, whatever. We predicted the future, man. Nice retraces getting the holy crap. We were on Boeing. 283 was the measure move. We had 297, 296. Yeah. We were off. We were barely off on our target. We were so close. Sometimes it doesn't happen, man. Thanks to the stock market, the rally, dude. If the market would not have held up, that thing would have hit target so well. What's up, Peter Pan Morgan? It's been a while. You're still here. Thanks, dude. Much love. Well, Dakota, man, we're looking at I think 3,000 first, and then we'll talk. Death cross limit in the S&P 500. Oh, yeah. That's what MK was talking about. They're lagging indicators, right? Oh, I just ran out of ink on this pen. Are you serious? Yeah. Marathon Mitch, I mean, I do a lot of marathons and stuff, but it's like, whatever, man. You know, it's more fun with chat engaging, stuff like that. What did the dentist say to Satoshi? 230? My 230? This won't hurt a bit. Oh my God. Oh my God, that won't hurt a bit. Like a Bitcoin, right? Love it. Is this a marathon run? No, marathons don't technically, they're not a marathon unless they're 4 hours or more. Okay. RMS, I don't really know much about the cloud, man. So I know people use it and more power to them, but it's just not something I use in my strategy. And I encourage you and everyone else in here to find out what works for you as a technical analyst or a trader. Okay. So I don't know much about it, man. I don't really go into it. I use my coinciding variables. I think the Ichimoku has a lot to do with variables, coinciding a bunch of variables together and putting them to cloud. I don't know, it's just a different way of looking at it. So, Bitcoin conclusion, we should hopefully see between 4,500 and 4,634. That's minimum. That's what we're hoping to see minimum. We've rejected this support, or rejected falling below the support a third time now. We're trying to hold above it. If we can just keep holding above it, it should be okay, but if not, breaking down, You don't want to be falling below that 41.15 level. You just don't want to. Okay. And thanks for the 207 likes, y'all. Seriously, that's just all world, especially on a day stream, man. That's just fantastic. All right. Very pleased, man. Couldn't ask for much more. Thanks, Chris Garon, dude. Seriously. Critter Cracker wanted Verge. It's like, okay, man, Verge. There are reasons why it broke to the upside, yes. Okay. Not sure where we bottomed, though. Not really sure where or why we bottomed there. We could do fib extensions. Pretty easy fib extensions. Okay. Didn't even hit the 1272, man. I don't know, man. Like, I don't know why we bottomed here. Like, dude, just maybe it's because it's Bitcoin, man. There's no reason why we bottomed here. Like, dude, this is the bottom right here where we bottomed. There's nothing here, so it was just random. It was fib extensions, no support resistance, just bottomed randomly there. Okay, so when we did that, though, we were showing extreme levels of bullish divergence. Okay, holy crap, man. Holy crap. Then you end up showing that class D bullish divergence. So the bullish divergence on both oscillators and a random support double bottom with Bitcoin and pumped. Okay, that's it. That's literally it. Where have we retraced since then? So we got us low. We hit this 618. That's where we are. 61.8% retrace. No candle body close above the 618. Common retrace zone. And that's it. Here's your zone. 192 and 225. I hit it and we've rejected. We've reversed. Boom. Perfect. Good job, Verge, for at least respecting the fibs. And you want to know what's going on with the scrub trash can? Here you go, man. Bear trend. Bear trend. Bear trend since all-time great FOMO highs. Okay? Oh, yeah. That's it, dude. What does a dentist do during a death cross? He braces himself. My God, he bracers himself. Holy crap, man! These excellent King Legend. Why did Copy file a police report? It was mugged.
Is that a joint?
The man. Thanks for all you do. Check out Looming Death Cross on the S&P.
Oh yeah, Anthony A, man. Thanks for 420, man. GG's, man. Much love. Sure, man. Yeah, Death Cross happened. That's 4 hour anyway. Let's go to the daily. Yep, Looming Death Cross, but yeah, Death Cross is coming. Extremely bullish conditions. Oh my God, man, double bottom crap, dude. We thought it was inverse head and shoulder, turned into double bottom. Holy crap. I wouldn't call this a triangle or anything, like an ascending triangle yet or anything, but clearly see we're just sort of range bound, right? Kind of going sideways right now. Tops, bottoms, low risk, high risk. All right, so I wonder if we can get up there, man. I wonder if we can get up there. Okay. Yeah, there's your death cross though. It's looming. It's coming, man. Wow, when was the last time we saw something like that, dude? I'll tell you, it's probably been a very long time. Death cross. Last death cross we saw was January 2016. But by the time we got the death cross, we were at 1909, and we only fell down to 1810 before rallying, going kings again. Okay. It's been a while though. It's been a while since we got Death Cross, right? But you see that range bound stuff, okay? It's really just like this. There you go. Thanks again, Anthony. Amen. Yeah, NASDAQ, probably Dow Jones too, for like probably everything, right? I'm kidding, man. My bad, y'all. That noise on. Right, Greenbow, Alabama. You you spend the last half hour trying to get beer delivered to my house. It's inverse possible. It's not, dude. The ABC here is crazy, man. Like, so in Alabama we have very little government services because we don't really want them. Like, no one really wants government services. So the government, with lack of funds, good. We don't like when the government has funds. We don't want them to here. Because what happens is it gets worse and worse and worse. Government takes the money, misallocates it, raises tax rates, blah, 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 blah. They don't know what they're doing. Okay, we know that. We've seen it historically. That's one of the only things that's good about Alabama. We don't care. We don't want the government taking more money. Okay, but the problem is we have to somehow generate money. And unfortunately, a big way that we do that is with the ABC, with alcohol. Alcohol beverage control or whatever. So they are really strict. It's like not even legal in some ways to bring in certain beers. Some beers, they won't even let it happen. Okay. There was that R8, that racing beer or whatever, remember? Probes, man? Like from Cali or something. They won't they won't even let them send that here. It's illegal. So yeah, man, it's definitely pros and cons. Pros and cons. It sucks. I could set up a PO box in Mississippi, drive there and pick it up, right? What price is on screen? What you talking about, Coinheads? What price is on screen? 27.37. Wish there was a way to magnify this. Huh. Let me try some real quick while we're live. Y'all just hang tight real quick and let me see if I can do something here. And this might take a minute. You can go ahead and leave if you don't like it, but I'm trying to, while I'm live, try to figure out a way to create a better quality of life for you, streamer. Don't know. I know I could probably try to make it work. Maybe. But it might be ridiculous. But it could epically fail too, okay? Let's see what I can do here. Let me do a screen display capture. Hold on. Yep. Is that it? Yep, okay. So what I'm going to do here, give me a second, all right? Let's see here, edit transform. Let's see, crop, left. Hey, how you doing? That's not gonna work. 701. So let's do 750, 800, 850. Let's go 900. Almost 888. Nope, it was close, man. I was going for King Logan on that one. 875 looks perfect. Let's go to 877. 880. 880 looks perfect. Okay, left would be like 1250. Now we're going to go like 1500. 1700. Oops. Nope, too much. 1600. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's see what I can do here. Size. How do I make this larger now? Can you crop from the top just a little bit, like 50. Bottom. What? It's not going from the bottom. What's doing? Hold on. Okay, here we go. 450. See what I'm doing here? Oh my god, what's Ray doing? He's crazy. What? But the problem is, though, the problem with it is it's off, right? It like doesn't, that's my issue. Like I can screen capture and make it larger for you, the audience, but how do I make it line up to where it's like, you know what I'm saying? That's the problem. That's the issue, okay, that we got going. And I don't really know what to do because I can't screen capture. Give me some ideas, right? Give me ideas. I don't know how. Someone's asked maybe try to do this to make these numbers bigger, but how do you do it without it screwing things up? All right, so I've got this, and I can just turn it off for now. But like, you get what I'm saying, right? What I'm trying to do, magnify these numbers for you. I'll just turn it off for now, whatever. But you know where I'm going with this. Help me with some ideas on how I could do it. All right, thanks. Dude, are there any dry counties in Alabama? Yeah, there are plenty of them, okay? Yeah, dude, driving out to these dry counties, man, they had billboards when there's votes to make it wet. They would, they have billboards, vote no to, you know, Article 5, which is to make the county dry or wet, anyway, to make it wet. And it just shows, like, it's like harping on emotions about drunk driving and stuff. Like, really, man? So, yeah, dude, there are plenty of counties that are dry here. Plenty. I wish I could get a screen capture that would literally hone in on where the green was, but you can't do that. It doesn't exist. It's not a real thing. Why can't you trust an atom? Because they make up literally everything. Oh my God, Jeremy, man. You don't mean no harm, but you find me hilarious. Is that a good thing or a bad thing, man? Hopefully it's a good thing, right? BCA just pumping again, Theo. Oh my God. What's up, Rami? Having a good day here. Hope you're having one as well. Good. We had over 200 likes. So that was a beer, right? Oh my God, Jeremy, man, you're killing me, dude. You're killing me. You live on Indian reservations. You live on one totally and completely dry by federal law. It's weird. Interesting. Why is it like that? Oh, I'm back. You're back. I can start again. Okay, Ryan. No problem, man. All right. All right, we're back. So, dude. I don't know. Descending burning wedge on take 2. I don't know, dude. Yeah, I'm still alive, Anthony, man. I was spoken of highly on another crypto channel yesterday. Clifford Chapman, mind telling me what channel, man? Or is it just gonna stay anonymous? It's all good. My face is burnt into your OLED TV, man. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go to Boeing real quick, okay? Because Boeing, man. Here it was, man. We got the drop we were looking for, but we were just a little bit off our target. I mean, that's just the widest areas of the wedge. Sometimes you just don't hit it. Market recovered. Huge bounce on the daily. You can see a lot of gaps up. But look where we are. We're only running to test the 20-day moving average. Your 20 bears should cross over your 200, and you're just making a common retrace, right? I mean, really, from this high to this low. We're at the 618, man. Maybe, just maybe, a good short opportunity for Boeing. Maybe. Okay. Wow, man. Okay. Bearish convergence on both oscillators. Good God. Okay, cool. Clever man. Well, glad to hear that. Was it him that spoke of me, or Clever man? That's cool. I mean, you drop my name there. Thanks, Anthony, man. Much love, dude. As always, dude. Any kind of advocacy y'all give for this channel, man, means everything. Cause like I can't do without you. You know that, right? Like I'm not gonna grow without support from you, the audience. Okay. Cause like you really want to contribute, like, and maybe you don't cash, just contribute with advocacy. But don't be like ridiculous. Don't like try to peddle me or anything like weird. Just, you know. People ask you, you just tell them how you feel. If I suck, then tell them the truth if I suck, okay? I'm drinking a Good People IPA, Luis Marrero. Thanks for asking, man. Good beer, very good beer. Kind of a beer, kind of like my go-to beer, I guess. You know, but man, this wedge was so beautiful, was it not? And this tankage was so warranted with the bearish divergence we were getting everywhere, dude. We were getting it on the weekly. The daily look high, higher high. Well, I guess when we got it here, it was just kind of like this, right? High to highest high. You had to make an adjustment. And even here, right? High. 1, 2, 3, triple RSI, bearish divergence. So we're getting it either way. But the false breakout of the rising wedge, dumpage. Okay, dumpage. Oh man, this is tough, man. It's tough. We got a lot of requests. Everyone's requesting everything. Okay. Ray, do everything. Aeon looks terrible on the chart. It's in a tremendous bear trend. That's like not even at the heart line of the bear trend. I'll show you if you want. Major foul, pause. Don't bring up Boeing instead. We got the drop we were looking for. Eek. What happened, Jetman? We got it, man. We just didn't hit target. And sometimes it just doesn't happen, man. Sometimes it's not gonna happen. Okay. Yeah, everyone's heard of Bitcoin because of media, because of last year, pretty much, right? Oh yeah, Anthony, man. Oh yeah, man. IPS for soy boys? I don't understand, man. What am I supposed to drink? Like, just literally, just drink from the decanter, man? Is this what makes me a man? Drink from the decanter? Is that soy or is that inverse soy? Okay, whatever. Testosterone. Gives you yits. Yeets. Wow. Do everything. Modified Mafia. All things. IPA is estrogen. Why? I think it's because there's a study that says like it does the hops or too much hops it affects you and makes you have more estrogen or something stupid or something, man. I don't know, dude. No, dude, there was a study on it and I read about it. Too much IPA makes you like, yeah, whatever. I don't know, dude. To change the size of the scales, trading these settings, background, scale size. Oh, what? Scale sizes. Scale sizes. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap, look at all those freaking numbers, man. How y'all like that? Hey, dude, I don't even, this is my bad, dude, for not even. Hey, Kiki. Hey, chat, let me know if you like this. Do y'all like this? 3, 2, 1, no kappa. Unfortunately, my fibs. Let's see if I can increase the size on these. No, I can't. I cannot change the size. I can't change the size of my Fibonacci numbers. What the? So we're screwed on fibs, but at least we have numbers that are larger, right? Type 1 if you like this. Want me to change it, make it smaller or larger? Just give me some feedback on this, alright? That's pretty lit. I feel dumb for doing with the scaling I just did. Let the price come. Just gonna delete that and we'll just delete it completely. Bye. You drink mushroom extracts, Anthony, man? How does that even work, dude? Yeah, that's Irish whiskey, Fenton. Irish whiskey. It's in the hops. There you go, Kool-Aid Kings. Exactly, dude. Jeff says, play on Boeing's major product, them flying machines we heard them Wright brothers talking about on the radio, Greenbow News anchor. Oh my god. It's the devil. Good God. Freaking hilarious, man. Dude, don't be talking about Greenbow, man. I know the news anchor, man. We go down to we go to the same local barber every month together. Okay, man. Don't talk about the news anchor, man. Too much beer gives you man boobs. Yeah, it does. It does, man. What happened? Phytoestrogens made men infertile after 2 children. What, Renee? How does this work? And what is phytoestrogens and where does it come from? And how do we destroy it? If this is too large, let me know and we can like shrink the size a little bit more. It was pretty good at 20. The Monka S knew their stuff. Whiskey is the latest drink trend for hipsters, to be honest. Bradford knows in Cali, man. Thanks for jacking up the price on everything because of the dang mules being popularized. Aren't those the copper things? I remind you of Jack Black. You know, someone else has said that. I don't really see it. Probes, chat, y'all see? I don't think there's any. I don't think I do. I don't have mannerisms like him, do I? Loads better, brilliant, James on. Boom. Who's watching on mobile that can see this so much better now? Okay, let me know. 10 of 10. Awesome. 1. Nug Thug likes it. Numbers are amazing. He's been needing this. Boom. We've dropped 2 billion. Vercus Games. A little smaller, some more detail. Okay, yeah, just a little bit smaller. I'm gonna go down 1 more, okay? I think 20 was perfect. I honestly just turned up 1 more. 20. I think, well, it didn't shrink any. It did not move. What? Okay, 16 maybe. Is 16 good or is that too small, chat? Should I mean, it seems like it's probably maybe perfect right there. So let me know more detail. That's good. Good. Price easier to see. Excellent. I'm glad to hear this feedback. It's awesome, y'all. Sideways for a while. Yeah, that's what we're seeing right now. At least we're holding above 41.15. The way I speak is a little Jack Blackish. Johnny Bull, is this true, man? I don't see it, man. I don't see it or hear it, but how can anyone even hear themselves? How can they see themselves unless they're in a mirror, right? Hops are the closest relative to hemp. Does that mean cannabis is for soy boys? Get wrecked. Chat, get wrecked. Okay. What happened to the natural gas? That's a good question, Nomad Man. Very good question. Are we looking at this, man? Yeah, NG1, was that it? Oh my god. Oh my god. It has continued. Am I crazy here? What's happening? Why is my stuff... Dude, did it really continue to just pump like this? Oh my god. Am I crazy? No, dude, wait, no way, man. Hold on. There's another chart. What chart were we looking at, chat? What was the natural gas chart we were looking at, okay? This is not this one. It's not this one, seriously. Is it Nat Gas USD? I think it is. There we go. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. These are what I was looking for, man. Beautiful, dude, beautiful. It's done nothing. It's done nothing. It's just, it's doing its scrub. Like you break down, you're failing, you're rallying, you're double topping kind of. What you're doing, you're matching your previous high with no positive momentum. This thing's going down probably. There's a very high likelihood this is going to break down before going up. Okay, dude, we are at the top resistance, exhausted, dude. At the top. Beautiful. How hilarious. Symmetrical triangle measure move. I'll just do it real quick. We're gonna do it. 1, 4, 2, 3. There's your measured freaking move. What do you want, man? What do you even want? 16 is hard for you to see. What? You prefer the 20 personally? Chains on? Let me know. Let me know. Chat. Come on. 16 perfect. Kiki. But Lisa says 10 out of 10 on 16 or 20. Okay. For the people that say I sound like Jack Black, give me a YouTube clip and we'll look at it together, okay? We'll do fair use. We'll be careful, okay? You did not see numbers before now. Dan Stellis, that's awesome to hear, man. Now you can hear. Now you can hear them. Kappa. .16's okay, full screen. No short then, Nomad. Scale text. Try adjusting font size. Scale text. Scale text. We were doing that, right? We've been doing that. Maybe. You think white? Will there be a better color? Nah, because the colors we get screwed up with all my other stuff. Yeah, I don't want to do that. If I do a horizontal line that's purple, it's gonna be purple or green. You know, like I don't want to screw with it too much. That would be really. It's got to be white, man. It's got to be white. 20 much better. Doesn't take away from the rest of the layout at all. 20 is the best so far. Okay. Let's try 20. All right. I think we'll just maybe 20. I mean, I can see 20 really well now. Honestly, 16 did not look as good as 20 on my OBS. This kind of. I'm looking at it right now. I think this might be the best for real. But the problem is, y'all see this little gap in black right there? I kind of want to get rid of that, and that's where I could do that cropping and make it the exact same size, but just a little bit smaller and move it over. But maybe I can just do this. Hold on. No, it won't let me do that because it's on. Oh! Okay, we actually have more room now. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, dude. Yes. Oh my god, man. It's so beautiful. You totally hear Jack Black. You never noticed. I don't. What is it though? Come on, give me evidence. Okay, third eye trader giving evidence right now. Wait, hold on a sec. Okay, this is 1 minute 39 seconds. I think we'll be. I gotta be careful. Nacho Libre. Oops. Sorry. My bad, dude. Sing.
Okay, my friend. This one yours. This one yours.
Dude, I'm scared. Wait, what? He's singing, dude. Dude, that's not terrible, Third Eye Trader. That's not like... I don't sing at all, okay? So that's wrong. I don't want to get banned over that. Not worth, okay? I use OBS. Yes, Fenton, man. I do. That indeed. But look down here. What the heck, man? I guess it doesn't matter. The percentage of percentage points down here doesn't matter, I guess, right? It looks okay right there. Not bad. Not bad. Get wrecked, Third Eye Trader. Get wrecked, dude. What do I think of the U.S. dump? Yeah. Part and parcel of charts, man. They pump and they dump. Okay. Copyright right now. We were good on fair use, Bradford, man. We're good. We're safe, dude. We're safe. Dude, you can't tell me I watched for more than 15 seconds, Bradford. You know I didn't. That wasn't even a thing. Exactly. That was a non-thing. Okay. Anyway, so Kangs on natural gas. We did it, man. We've won the ball game. It's all over. It's all over. We won. And then optiontraders.com got obliterated. Huh. Hilarious. It just looks so unnatural. Remember like the Scarlet Letter? They would say unnatural. It is unnatural. It is unnatural to have that black space right there, man. I think that looks perfect right there. It looks perfect down here too because you can't see that fourth decimal spot. Whatever. Screw it, man. Screw it. It's good, man. It's good to me. What's up, Vio Barare? Gotta say, man. Going well here. Screwed. Stock market in Australia is on fire. Nice dumps. Time to short nat gas. Yeah. Yeah, great area. Dude, I'm saying, great area. Have a stop. One would have a stop if they wanted to. And one, if they wanted to have a nice potential move to the downside, one would go short, right? Because clearly, well-respected trend downsloping channel. Oh my god, you got like no positive momentum making the rally on the double top. Terrible. 66 cents. RGSC, man. RGSC. Is this true, man? Did I? What happened, man? What happened to RGSC? Real goods, man. Oh my god, bro. This thing, man. Oh my god. Wait, 66 cents, man. We ran up to 382, man. $0.66. I'm confused, man. What happened, dude? What happened on 66 cents? Here we are, John Lara, man. I think we had the 382 and we were Kangs and we dumped. Look, man. Look. 382. We hit the measured move, man. The double bottom measure move was hit, dude. You mean I called 80 cents, not 66, right? That's what you mean. Why is it off here, though? Should be fine here. Okay, let's scale it. Make sure I'm good on. It looks beautiful right there, man. Right? Beautiful. I just really wish the Fibonacci I could increase the size of the text on the numbers, right? Big Kank doing things. Oh, the breakdown. Breakdown! Check cola, dude. Man, I've been live for how long now, y'all? How long? 3 hours? You've been live for like 3 hours. I think what I'm gonna do is get out of here, y'all. You know, it's been live long, okay? Long time. Bitcoin barely engulfing right now, but we got 3 hours left. We're looking for the sweet spot that puts us at 4,500 to 4634. Okay, that's where we're looking. Man. It's where we want to be, holding the support very well, so we can keep holding it, so we can pump, and then whatever after that point. Okay, who cares? Let's hit our target. Marathon stream till 4 a.m. No, probably not, man. Probably not, dude. John Lar, I sure am, man. But full transparency here, I took a 3-game teaser and took Dallas at plus 17 in my 3-game teaser with Alabama and Texas. All right, so plus 17. I get it. I think the Saints will win, but I don't think they're going to win by 17 or more. Okay. You say that broadening wedge, right? I don't like using. Okay, I don't really like using. This is not an anchor point. Okay, so if it's not an anchor point, look, swing highs and swing lows are anchor points. This is not, in my opinion, an anchor point. This is just where we started dumping. Okay, so an anchor point's up here, a swing high. This is not a swing high or swing low. This is just where we just started dumping. So we had this talk last night. And I drew it, and it's like we're breaking it and hooking it, sure. But, dude, it could be in someone else's view. Sure, man, but I'm just going with the down 7 channel at the double bottom. And we know Fibonacci, so we know where we would top out at. We could top out anywhere between the 382 and the 618, okay? Between 4,600 and 5,362, okay? That's it. These are our targets up here, whether it's a descending broad or not, descending broadening wedge or not, okay? I just called it a descending barrage. A descending barrage. Ladies and gentlemen, we've just come up with a new thing. Instead of calling it a descending broadening wedge, we'll just call it a descending barrage. Or a des barrage. Des barrage. Time me on this one. Or timestamp this one, okay. Des barrage. Anyone? Bueller? Are we cool? Thanks. Okay, so thank y'all so much for the love, support, contributions, and everything, alright? So I'll be back tonight, as always. So until next time, respect the TA.